Copy. Bro, I can't even paste the link anymore, man. Holy shit. Alright, this is what I'm
What
gonna
do you
do.
mean?
This is what I'm gonna do. Oh, Telegram goes on this side of my screen. Paste that. I can't like I used to copy and paste my iPhone. You know, I can't do it anymore. Kind of tragic, but. Good morning, good morning. Alright, so I'm trying to get used to my stuff here. So I got OBS running on the left side. Cool. This shit is running. Do your thing, OBS. I got Telegram running on the left screen. I got Trader Domain running on the left screen. I got Zoom running on the right screen. Perfect. GG bullish today? Yeah, GG's bullish all week, man. All week. If you guys got the video analysis last night, man, what happened here? Man, you know, buy said buys above these levels right here. Man, all you gotta do is wait for the candle to break above, man. This is a simple playbook right here. Boom. Above this zone. Boom, draw it across. What do you got? Kind of close above the range, like this. You know, I got a new thing, but I can still draw arrows fast. You know, look at this. Close above, boom. What happened here? Just kind of came up. Nice mirror on this side. No traffic here. Price goes up, looks left. No traffic. Left, no traffic. And boom, that was the move. So today, we're probably gonna retest this high, right? And when we retest that high, I think we have a high chance of breaking it the second time around. Because this is actually just a wick fill. If you look, this is a 1 hour, right? But on a 4 hour or something, this is how it looks probably. Probably looks like this. It's like this. Came up bullish. And then it closed like this. Right? Because if these candles are bullish, if the last candles are bearish, this is what a wick fill is. That when we retest the high, we're gonna break the high like this and continue up bullish. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen today. I'm bullish on GJ. Yo,
Bless you, bro.
yo, guys, talk. I'm trying to test my
Yo, yo.
Yep, yep.
I wonder if YouTube can hear you guys.
We're good.
Say something?
Yeah.
Yo, I got work later today, so you gotta be slow for it, wasn't?
Yeah, work early, you said?
Yeah. No, I got work at like 11.
Oh,
So like 11 to like 7. So
new
I'll be here for like
PC.
Asian session.
Yeah, I got a new PC. Yo, how did I make OBS so I can only filter this Safari screen only? Like only one Safari screen. Is that possible? Or like these Safari Google this app only? It's showing my background and everything.
I think you should be able to set it to like to what task it should monitor.
But it's
So
monitoring
like
like this whole, literally this whole screen right now. I don't know
so like you switch it to monitor Chrome instead, and not like
it only
the
shows two
entire
options
screen.
though.
let me check on that.
Weird.
Display character.
No buffering at the moment. Feels good. I don't think it was the PC, man. My Mac was running pretty powerful. I don't know. I think it's more of my. I think it was a bit rate. Yeah, maybe that was a PC. Maybe I had to do
What?
the PC. The bit rate was dropping on the Mac when I was running 1080p 60 FPS. Yo guys, chat, let me know if it's 1080p 60 FPS. Let me know chat, let me know chat.
I'll let you know right now. Yeah, 1080p,
Alright.
60.
Cool, cool, cool. Perfect. Oh, how do I
I
lock the
think
screen now? Oh.
I think you should be able to have like a FPS in your like a FPS counter.
Oh yeah, at the bottom it says 60 FPS, yeah. Cool.
Yeah, you're running 60.
Yeah, 60 FPS. What am I running? Yeah, I was running like 130 on card with my thing, so it's not even bad. I love my PC, bro. Alright, cool. Feels good. Mark up on a new chart. Let's see. Let's catch a dub today, guys. Man,
He does.
Asian last night was so nice, bro. Asian session was so nice.
Yeah.
Look at
Okay.
this.
I didn't trade Asian like that, but bruh,
That range.
Yeah, no, it was nice.
got those.
Like, I knew it was gonna be nice, but the way like it was looking like this. It's just, you just know it's a big range, right? You just know. And like I said, this week will be much better because last week candle closed bullish, very strong bullish. So next target should be up here at 138 this week. 139, right?
Yeah.
So, as long as you say bullish, we should tap that this week. But yeah, this candle here, we should probably to retest the highs here. I think buy is above this area would be nice for GJ. With the volume right now, you might be able to try something here, but there's a lot of volume about to kick in on GJ here. Come on.
Let me check. Google might have the answer.
There's no answer for me. It's weird. They searched it up.
Let me see.
I do my new magic key settings. Okay, fuck with this. This is what happened to the move. Partial TP, 65%. What's there? That's it. Alright, cool. Alright. Sorry guys, send up my new stuff here. It's a 15 break the fierce 6-minute invalid buy. Yeah, that could work as well. Because now if you look left, I think to be safe, you can wait for a candle to close. Actually close like in this range here. Like, you know, maybe something like this. Shit, it's so complicated. There we go. I think something like this would be better. If we close like this. If we close above or like this would be very valid for buys. Because now we're closing above these ranges to the left there. Above these wicks. No, so then this kind of has a high chance of pushing up. I'd rather just kind of close like this. I'd rather close like this than like this, because this has a bigger range to go up, right? This just has that, you know, peak that tap this resistance level. So I'd rather kind of close like this with a nicer wick. So let's see, be patient guys, see what happens today. Is my audio clear by the way, chat? Let me know, chat. if my audio is clear or not. If it's too loud, if it's too quiet, if it's the same as my other streams, let me know. We got news today, we got no news. Gold is in his range since Friday. Damn. That's actually crazy. But remember on Friday how I drew this out though? On Friday, if you guys were on Friday stream, you guys pay attention to details. I drew this exact thing out. So I'm like, if GG comes back in the range, below the range here, it's gonna come back in the range, and then it's gonna fill it, and then it has a higher chance of pushing up bullish to this target. I said it on Friday, right? And what happened here? We broke out of the range, we broke back inside the range. So now the last step is for us to break bullish above this range here. Alright, cool. Thanks, Timothy. Respects, bro. Respects. You know what I gotta do now, though? I gotta put that low, shit, I think, hold on, J. What's the 30-minute high up here? 1 pip. Oof. The daily target for me today is probably gonna be for GJ, like, maybe like these zeros right here. Yo, is my keyboard loud? You guys hear it?
Nah.
Nah? Alright, it's hella loud, bro. Yeah, there's my GG target up there. That range there. This is a resistance that we're at, but I'm expecting us to break this resistance.
What?
You can't find it, right? I'm not tripping, bro. It's so weird.
No, I think I know. I think I know how to. I think I know how to do it, but I'm trying to find like. I think I found out how to do it.
Then you in our app?
Nah, so you know how you were creating like the sources,
Yeah.
like the display capture.
Yeah.
So there's one that has a browser. So you click that and then add the
Well, it
link.
only shows display 1, display 2 though.
No, I'm saying when it goes when you right click and go up to add. But let me.
Oh, add,
show
yeah.
you.
Oh, browser.
Yeah.
Oh.
Click paste the trading view link, but now that it's not working, like the trading view link isn't working after I paste it, so I don't know why.
Let me try it.
And then you set it as 1920 by 1080 feet. Oh, that well, it works for you.
A whole new link though. How was this?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, where is that link coming from?
So they remove this. Sorry guys. I don't know what that is. I'm getting a buy here, guys, for GJ.
Oh, I'm in profit.
There.
Wait, hold on. Let me see my time frame.
Then buys were being clean when it kind of opened as well, but I wanted to be safe and just enter a buy once we broke the highs here.
Yeah, I had an entry at under 1 hour, like at the 6 a.m. candle.
Yeah.
It was an early entry, but it was my stop loss was below the hourly candle.
I'm trying to figure out where is the time frame on my MT5. That's weird, bro. Oh, that's loud too, bro. I gotta change that.
Oh, I'm tripping, bro. All right, so you click on views, the view, then click on toolbars,
Wait,
and
let
then
me
you
just
see,
mute my magic keys first. This is hella loud.
yeah. So you click the view, standard. I mean, click the view toolbars, and then you'll see standard, line studies, and time frames. Yeah.
So views,
Toolbar.
toolbars. Oh yeah, time frames. There you go. Perfect. Thanks. Like that.
Yeah. Yeah. I was like, bro, my mic is. I'm like, hey, bro, you deaf or something, cuz?
Yeah, your mic was unmuted for like a minute.
Yeah, I was like, yo, I guess I'm gonna just dip, bro. Oh no.
You're supposed to go away.
Looking at.
I'm trying to fix it. That's weird. Alright, cool. Yeah, guys, I'm in this buy here, guys. Anticipating that this is a 1 hour low for our price to go up. So even if the 30-minute closes like this, this should be the 1 hour low for price to drive up here because the first 15-minute close is bullish. So even if it does close bearish, this is still gonna be the 1 hour low potentially. Let's see.
Stop at current candle, right?
30-minute candle, yeah. This is 1 hour candle.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
TP for me, guys, is on this trade is probably gonna be around these levels over here. Like, I might have a runner up to that target up there today. So, yep. I'm in this trade, guys. In this trade. Sorry, everything's a little rough today, guys, because I'm just trying to fix all my stuff, getting used to this stuff. So, bear with me today. Just for today, though.
Nope.
Tomorrow I should be fine. Yep. So roughly when we get to like around these levels, it's probably gonna close half. And then when we get to these levels, it's probably gonna close full. Your runners to this target up today. This is a daily target. So yeah, this is a scalp right now. It's gonna turn into a swing. You guys gonna see how in a bit. Maybe 1 hour close bearish. 1 hour's gonna close in 30 minutes here. Is it? No, 1 hour's gonna close here. Oh shit, I didn't see the 1 hour. I thought, bro, yo, is it me? Every time I hop into the stream, bro, I was thinking it's at 7:30 or something. I was thinking it's a new candle. Oh shit. Bro, I was. So whenever I did this mistake last week too, I looked at the trade. I gone off the 15-minute, 30-minute, but I didn't realize that the 1 hour was just gonna close. Like I thought it was the first 15-minute, 30-minute of the candle. Close full position. Yeah, so I didn't even realize this actually. I think the 1 hour close is bearish here. I'm probably gonna close the full position. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna close my position here, guys. Close my position here early. Because why can't I delete this? man. I'm gonna close this earlier because I didn't realize the 1 hour was gonna be bearish here. So I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour to close and see what's gonna happen after. Maybe wait for a break of that 1 hour candle or an actual bullish candle closure in a 1 hour, right? So this shit doesn't make sense right now because this 1 hour is gonna close bearish. I closed it here with negative 3 pips. I'm gonna look for a trade once we close there. So if it does close bullish, I'll look for another entry, but it just doesn't make sense right now for me being a trade. When the 1 hour is bearish, you know, I didn't realize this. I was tripping. I thought the 30-minute, I thought this is that was a 1 hour. I thought this was a 30-minute. So, yeah. I mean, 30-minute looks clean. Let's just see how this 1 hour closes though. Closes in a minute here. I close full, guys. I close full. We should be bullish today. I'm bullish on GG today. I'm probably only take buys today. Like, it would be nice. The show would be nicer if this was like the 1 hour time frame right here, or if this is a 1 hour time frame. This would look way nicer, right? But look at the 1 hour. It's gonna close bearish, right? So it doesn't really make sense to be in this trade right now at all. If you're looking to enter a buy here, right? So I closed my first position there, guys. Yeah, see, it closed bearish. It didn't close a doji too. It closed it kind of strong bearish, right? So I would not want to be in a trade right now. We're just gonna wait now, guys. Be patient. Yeah, Jay, did you find it, bro? Did you find the thing or nah?
Nah, not at all. I'm
That's
still
weird.
trying to see what link that what link that was. So.
Yeah, guys, there's trades that you take that go bad, and then there's trades that you actually didn't mean to do. Like, what I mean is that some trades that you take, like sure, you analyze it, whatever, you broke it down, whatever, you're in it, right? But then there's some trades that just, like, I used to have this thing where I close at, I'll look for GJ buys, after I'll enter buys on gold. I'm at MT5 after, bro. I think me and Sam, we both had that issue for the longest time ever. But
What?
yeah, like we're looking for gold, we look for GJ buys, and then we'll be in the buys, and then all of a sudden we'll be like we're scrambled to enter buys because the market's moving way too fast, and then boom, we enter it. We look at our phone after, it's gold, it's not GJ. We're like, fuck.
Boy.
Like, Sam said he lost it. He lost like over like lost bare money. Just making that mistake. But yeah, this is like, I guess this is a mistake trade. I didn't realize that 1 hour is gonna look bearish like this. Hold on. What am I trying to do? Oh yeah, OBS.
Bring chin closer.
Oh, I'll do it tomorrow actually.
Yeah, do the digital dash on that.
If we're going to TradingView.com, if I go like this, copy. Wow, why is it looking like? I'll fix it tomorrow, guys. Whatever. It's not that big of an issue.
Obama rants. Yeah.
If this is a 1 hour, guys, this is like much cleaner. Cause this candle's probably gonna pop up like this, right? It's just that it doesn't make sense for us to be in it. But like this candle's gonna pop up like this probably, and continue up bullish like this. So that wick, and then tap this range here. So. Right, but the 1 hour is bearish, so the 1 hour is always gonna take the higher time frame is always gonna take over the smaller time frame. This trade doesn't make sense at all. What's the target if it goes down? If it goes down today, we're probably gonna tap like these levels down here, this support here. But I'm not gonna sell it today at all. If I see it sells, I'll let it play out. I'm just gonna look for buys today, and that's all I'm gonna look for today. Just buys. The 4 hour did close bearish though, so this kind of has a high chance of going down as well, but Let's see. In this range right now, guys, so just be patient. I think we made a resistance here just now. These levels right here. There's your resistance. I'm not gonna put that. People will be like, what do you mean it's a mistake? You got it in a trade. Whatever. What's the target? If it kind of broke the previous 30-minute high, is valid? I think 1 hour high would be much more valid than the 30-minute high. Yeah, I think if it breaks the 1 hour high, that'll make much more sense than if it were to break this 30-minute high here, because this 1 hour high is bearish, right? The 30-minute high is still bullish. Oh, I gotta send Jalen the fucking Zoom call. Here.
I'll be right back.
Alright, bro. Yeah, yesterday the 1 hour closed bearish, right? So now it has a higher chance. This kind of has a high chance of pushing down and up. It's a probability game, right? If you see a candle closing bearish, are you still gonna be in a buy? Nah, you wouldn't. You're not gonna be in a buy after a candle closes bearish. You want to be in a sell, or we wouldn't want to be in a sell in this position because it's in the range still. But I would preferably be in a sell if I were to be in any position here. If I were to pick between right now, bearish, bullish, I'll pick bearish because it's 1 hour candle closes bearish. So this kind of has a high chance of driving down like this now on GJ. Oh, why is it yellow? Here, like this. And if it closes below the range, then we have a higher chance of pushing down here, right? So we just gotta be patient here. Let's see what happens. Now I can't click the delete key. How about if I do control delete? The hell? It's weird. I gotta remove it. Man, like I'm telling you guys, I think streaming on the MacBook was I had better like I could do a lot more things, you know. This is just I'm a little more maybe I'm not used to it right now, but I don't know, man. It feels like the Mac was way easier to use for me. So it's dragging the mouse, and it's like on a Mac you can just use a trackpad, right? You can just draw whatever. But now it's just like I use the mouse, I click, 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 click. Right? It's alright though. It works as long as it works. What day is it this week? The week started on the 5th, July 5th to July 11th. Alright, cool. Yeah, I spent a lot of time this week backtesting. A lot of time backtesting. A shit ton of time backtesting. So I didn't have a great week. I didn't have the greatest week. Like the weekly pip count ended with 110, 111. But like, you know, for me it wasn't that great a week. It was like kind of break even for me. Cause the one trade I gave us 100 pips, I didn't it was gold, right? I didn't re-enter gold. But yeah, pretty much it was break even for me that week, which is better than a loss last week. But you know, it is what it is. But still, I could a lot of the trades I took I could have avoided. So that's what I did this week. I spent the whole weekend just backtesting what I could have done better. And yeah, now we're here. So buy negative. We're better here better than ever. Alright. GJ. You wanna break above this range for me? How did I turn MT5 noise off again? I think it's tools, options. Charts, notifications. There we go. Like this. Navigator, there we go.
You should, if you open your the volume mixer, you should be able to just mute whichever.
Audios? Yeah, I gotta update this OBS stuff. Damn. Okay. Usually list is popping up here. Let's see how it closes. 15 till it closed in 4 minutes here. Oh, there we go. Big push. Big push on GJ. Man, this 30 minute is so clean, guys. I can't tell you how clean this looks. This 30 minute right here. The way it closed below the range here is very clean for it to go up. This is like similar to this is very similar to this pulse here. I asked you guys this before, I think. This right here. I asked you guys, would you guys rather enter? Damn, I can't do this. But it was right here. Look, see that candle? Would you rather enter this candle up here? Or would you rather enter this candle down here? You know, I believe you guys said this candle down here, but I'll enter off of this candle. So this candle is forming right now. You know, it closed below the range. It didn't close above the range, so you can use anticipation to say that we might get a wick fill here. And yeah, as long as we respect this low, we should be able to push up to this target up here. Something like this on GJ. It's just that the 1 hour is bearish, right? So it didn't make sense for me. But the 1 hour is bullish, man. I can tell you that this trade had a high chance of playing out. A very high chance of playing out. But it popped up like this. You know, so you just gotta wait. So wait, be patient. Hopefully another setup occurs here. Forms there. If you guys enjoyed the stream also, leave a like on the streams. Yeah, it goes on pop up too. Oh man, it goes on pop up. Today's target looking like it's gonna be probably this target up here. 1780 today on gold potentially. 1780. Nice 40-bit move here. So I can't view my stuff even if I don't want to sign in. Weird.
Yo.
Yo.
I was like, yo, y'all good?
No, we good. We good. We
I
good.
was like,
I'm trying
yo,
to
what
fix my
happened?
stuff here.
I was like, yo, what happened? Where we go, bro?
Yeah, bro. This account's on pop up, man. Can't go on pop up.
Super Saiyan, bro.
I'm still holding.
Looking at
Yeah, I
it.
think I'll have like maybe buy stuff in the 1 hour high. Just that once we break that 1 hour high, the range is not gonna. The range might not be there. We might have a smaller range
Oh,
here. Go up here,
whoa.
something like
Oh my
this.
god.
Yeah.
I'll wait for the 15 to close
Yeah.
here. Waiting for the 15 to close, guys. Once it closes bullish,
Holy
I'm in this
shit.
trade.
That shit I'm pushed up. I still have my buys from like way earlier.
I wanted to. Yeah, you're still in?
Same.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
still
still
in, but like I have a buys from like 134 and 145.
Sheesh. From yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, the
I'm trying to
Asians.
see
Yeah,
how.
yeah. Like, dude, that you can leave a run. I swear you can leave a runner for the whole week. You
Bruh.
can
Yeah,
run
that's
it
what
for
I'm
the whole
trying
week.
to
Literally,
Yeah, I'll
do.
put my runner profit like
I have it
S7
at the
profit too high,
weekly.
bro.
bro, like literally 138, bro. Just leave a runner. Just try it, bro. Even if it's entries,
I
whatever, but
am,
just
man.
try it. You know, like
Because
138.
I have it at the 4 hour
Yeah.
4 hour low. Like if it breaks that, then it's GG. But like,
All right, guys. I'm in this buy here for GJ. About to enter right now. Oh, I'm in. Stop loss. Why is it stop loss is gonna be this kind of 15-minute kind of low here, and TP is gonna be approximately this target, and let me runner up to around these targets up here. So this is my trade on GJ. Alright, so runners that target going up to here, and this is my area where I'm gonna close majority of my positions at around these levels. Closing half 50. My I popped the 5.0 in this trade. I'll tell you guys later once I close. Yeah, I'm in this buy right now, guys.
Yeah.
So now we broke the 1 hour high, so now it makes much more sense. Man, it's so. I feel so slow marking up on this, man. I can't go. You know, I gotta take it so easy. It's so weird. Who buying a car today? This trade will give you guys a car, I swear.
Yeah, bro.
Now, ooh, in profit here. Nice. Nice. In profit here, guys. Why is this? Bro, is it just near my monitor can't handle this, bro? MT5 looks like it's going 340 P, bro. Looks so chopped. I gotta change this after. Oh shit, GJ pushing, guys. Damn. We got pushing. Yeah, we should be good to go here. We have no traffic to this target up here on GJ. So once price gets to this target, you can probably move stops to entry and let it run risk free. And that's gonna be about, I'll say that is about
How much pips that
9
is,
pips.
man?
9 pips. Cool. First 15-minute close bullish. You know, now 30-minute close is currently bullish. Broke the highs. You know, now you can say that this might be the 50-minute low. I mean, this might be the 1 hour low for price to drive up because that's the first 50-minute candle. We also broke the 1 hour high here, so we should be good here. I mean, we actually got a better entry because we actually wait for the pullback to happen. This 50-minute candle, when it flipped, it came straight down, meaning that was a pullback for price account. That was a wick down for the candle to go up. Right, so yeah, we had a good entry here. Very good entry. Stops are only like 6 pips too, so good trade. Man, this candle's gonna pop like this, guys. You guys gonna see it here. You guys gonna see it. You know, we're gonna pop up like this. Gonna pop up like this. It's gonna be one candle like this to tap this resistance level. This will be a safe TP. If you guys want to take profit at this area, you guys can. But I'm gonna leave a runner. I'm gonna close like 65%, 80% here, and I'm gonna leave a runner all the way to this target. But this candle's gonna pop straight up to this target. No doubt in my mind. Oh shit. We got it on. Okay, cool. This is perfect because now the 50-minute, you know, this is a 50-minute low, right? So the next candle shouldn't break this low if it wants to go up. So you can easily move stops to entry earlier on this type of trade here. So like here on 30-minute, it might not look like it makes sense to move stops to entry, right? Because it's in the middle of a candle, right? So it has a higher chance of tapping that before it goes up. But on the 50-minute, however, we got at the low of that candle. So probably shouldn't break that low if it wants to go up on the next candle. So yeah, it's pretty good here. Looking good. Looking good on GG, guys. Mentioned this when I hopped on the stream. The first thing I said was we're gonna retest the highs today and continue out bullish. We're gonna retest these highs today, 134, 620, and then eventually we're gonna pop further up once we break the highs. I'm moving my stop loss to entry, guys, on GG. We're breaking this highs, tap this minor resistance here. So this is a low of the 50-minute candle for price to drive up. Right, so there we go.
You close half yet on any position?
No, I'm like 3 pips in profit. Nah, like 4 pips in profit. Nah, I didn't. 34.4. Oof. Nice, perfect. Risk-free trade, guys. 5 pips in profit here. About to be 10. Yep, we are pushing up.
Am I secure?
Let's secure the bag, bruh.
Yeah.
You want to secure the bag?
Yes, sir. 10 pips up here. Yeah, let me just.
That's so chopped. It shows here. That's so chopped, bro. I gotta fix that. Go fix 101. Yeah, I think if I got like, so I wasn't really there last night when I gave a breakout on GG last night during the Asian session, but I wasn't like on the charts like at that time, right? So I didn't really trade it, but this move played out exactly as planned, guys. If you guys are in the Telegram groups, in the free one too, I sent it to the free one and I sent it to the paid one and I sent it to the course members. So I sent everyone that little breakdown. It was a 2-minute breakdown in GG, a weekly analysis too, and I said how buys after the candle closes bullish above the range here to this target up here. We tapped it, right? And like if you guys are in the trade, like I think Jay's in the trade right now. He's actually leaving a runner right now. So from instead of closing full here, he actually closed like maybe partials here, and he's now leaving a runner all the way to 138 because the weekly candle is bullish this week. Has a high chance of being bullish. So I mean, has a high chance to tap in this resistance here, right? So see what happens here. But yeah, runners will go this week. So the entry down here is way better than entry up here. The entry up here has a higher chance of hitting our entry, obviously, right? Because it's a low higher than this entry down here. But and after what happened after, you couldn't gotten sells too after for the fake out, right? Because this is a fake out right here on GJ. Candle closed bullish above the range, candle closed bearish back in the range, fill the range, and now it's continuing down bearish. Has a higher chance, but now that we closed bullish, we reject them back up now. See how candles work? Closed bearish, rejection coming down. Closed bullish, that's a low. Price never came down to a low again, and prices drove up from there. So cut all those opportunities for buys. Oh shit! 10 pips and 8 pips and profit, you guys. Damn. If you guys are in the trade, leave a like on the stream. All we gotta do is survive the next pullback. You know, I'm about to close 50% of my position soon. I think I'm gonna close like 65% actually. I feel like closing 65% today. Let's trade. Yeah, whenever I close positions, guys, it goes to my feelings. Like that goes to my feelings. Everything else goes to the way I see, right? The things I trade today is what I saw. You know, all the confirmations is what I saw. But like how I close positions, that's how I feel majority of the times. If I'm just having a a lazy day, I don't want to really hold up. I just want to finish my day early. I close more of my positions. If I want to actually leave a runner, I'll close maybe or if I want to leave a huge runner, I'll close less. I'll close like 50% and leave a 50% runner. One time I actually left a 50% runner and went up for 100 pips. So that was one of the craziest trades I've had. I usually close like 65-75% of my positions, leave a runner. But man, I left a 50% runner going for 120 pips or something on GJ. It felt so good. I'm telling you guys, your first runner, once it plays out, it'll feel so good.
Your first runner runs.
Yeah.
That shit feels good.
It runs for like 100 pips plus. Like that.
I remember that day. That shit was crazy. It was just like a chill day then out of nowhere. Just like, hey bro, leave the runner. I'm like, are you sure, bro? He's like, fuck it, bro, leave it.
You can leave a runner today as well, yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to close 50 and then let the runners run.
Clean trade.
Yeah.
We're tapping the amount of resistance here, guys. So be careful. This 15-minute resistance right here to the left. So move your stops to entry if you haven't yet. Warzone after this game, after this trading session, you know the vibes. Gives you big adrenaline. Yeah, like no adrenaline, really? I don't know. For me, it's kind of chill. Like I leave a runner, I just put stops at entry, and I don't look at the charts. That's it. I come back if it's entry, hits entry. If it hits TP, hits TP. Right, that's how my runners work. But like trades like this, I don't walk away from my phone. I watch my charts when it's moving like this, right? When it's like when I'm just in the trade. Right, but when I leave a runner, that's when I just chill out. Like you guys see me just doing whatever, do on my day. But on these type of moves here, I gotta watch it. This is where I have more adrenaline than the runners. But runners don't give me adrenaline, man. Runners should just be a chill trade for you, risk free. Kick back. You do whatever you want.
Well, what would y'all say was the most adrenaline like day that y'all had in trading that y'all can remember?
Me?
Yeah, anyone.
Oh, me.
Yeah.
Bro, when I first started, probably I entered like 50 trades per day, bro, and it was just all blues. I thought it was a goal. Literally like US 30, boom, 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 boom. I swear to God, I flipped like a 500 account to like 2,000 a day. Like it was the next crazy shit, bro.
God.
Like yeah, that was back then. I didn't know what risk management was. I didn't know what compounding was. I just went for 100.
All you know is
All I
once the
knew
screen
was
is blue, it's
that's all I
on
knew.
you.
That's all I knew, bro. So then but then
Oh,
obviously I learned from those lessons.
yes, sir.
Guys, if you guys are flipping $500 accounts to $1,000 accounts within one day, and you guys think you're top shit, I'm telling you, bro, you're gonna fuck up your own trading.
You're gonna get humbled real
You're gonna
quick.
fuck up your own trading, man. Sorry for the curse, but you're really gonna mess up your own trading. I'm telling you, bro. Don't even if you're doing it once, sure it looks good. It looks good on paper, but it's not good, bro. It's not good, bro. I'm telling you, it's bad profits.
As fast as you gain is as fast as you
Yep.
go.
If you're making literally like from $50 to like maybe like 200 within 1 week or two, then you're not doing something right.
Yeah. Where the most adrenaline I had was like when
If you
gold was on steroids.
Yeah,
And
December,
March.
January. Yeah.
And March for me. Bro,
Yeah.
I remember that night where, oh my god, I was super saiyan. Woke up the next morning, I'm like, you know what? Let's bump this shit up to my bad, guess, but let's bump it up to 2.0, bro. Got humbled
You got a 2.0?
extremely quick. Yeah, bro. I flipped 500 to like 1700 until like in a few hours, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna sleep. Wake up that next morning, blew it.
You say you
blew it. NFP Friday too. Blew it.
But it'd be like that.
Boy, I was shooting from 3-point
Yeah.
range that London night, bruh. And then I woke up in the morning and started shooting like freaking Jamel McGee from free throw, bruh.
I remember I had like a $400 in my account. Got it down to like 100, and I got it back up to like 1,000, and I blew it within like the next day.
Blew it.
Oh,
that's whatever.
man.
Sorry.
Word.
We learned.
What about turning 1,000 to I mean, like, okay, so now you just throw numbers out, but like it just depends like how long you're gonna do it. Like if you're to know that you're doing something right is if you're constantly every day making that same gain, something that you can be consistent with. Like for me, I say like my max is like 5%. Like that's the max I go for, right? But technically every day I finish off like around 1-2% of my account every day.
Damn.
So yeah.
Noise.
Using proper risk management, right?
Yeah.
Only entering 2 trades per day. About 1-2% average. On a good day, it's probably 4 or 5%, but wow.
What day do you remember like where you made like hella percent?
Probably runner days. Those go crazy. Those actually go crazy. I remember runner days when I went 100 pips for 4.0 lot. I had 8.0, right? And I closed half at 50% at 10 pips and let the rest going for 110 pips.
Mm-hmm.
That runner,
boy,
that was the last big day. I think it was like 10%,
that was 20%,
9-10%, something like that. Yeah.
Sheesh. But it's supposed to say 20 or something. I'm like,
No.
damn, yo, runners hit, boy. Let's not go back to December though. December was really lit.
I wasn't here for that.
That NFP, people got embarrassed.
Yeah.
That last NFP, people was like, gold's about to hit 1,800 right now. I seen a lot of chats was like, buy gold. News came out, bro. Gold felt like 100 pips. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, that runner went deep that day. I'm looking back at it. Just do the math, whatever you guys want, but yeah, 9% today, 4,500. Oof. Yeah, so guys, so right here we gotta survive the pullback, right? So obviously, we gotta survive probably this pullback here. As long as this candle respects this low, we should be good to go up. So once the candle flips bullish, you should be good, like this.
It's gonna flip bullets and break the MT5, bro.
Yeah, it's a flip bullish. Once it starts flipping, we should be good. Then this could be your low now if you want, but I think I'm gonna leave the same stops entries.
You need to break the MT5 fucking.
Bruh. I still have nightmares of UJ, bro. That's why I'll never touch it again. Bro, it literally broke the MT5, bro. Made like a little low. Oh my god. She gave me nightmares, bro.
What could happen with GJ on 30-minute is this candle could come down to make a support. This 30-minute candle could come down to this support, make that support here for price to go up later on. You're at the New York opening maybe? Let's see. If you don't survive the pullback, then it is what it is. Entries have been hit for me, guys, on GJ. There's trade, entry. Yeah, I only got like what 7 pips in the trade, but I didn't close anything because it was only 7 pips with the spreads and everything. So yeah, I think we're just doing what I just said, coming down to make support now. So always be patient. See, once you start like looking at candles and you start looking at the same thing every day, you're gonna start reasoning that GG does the same thing all the time, or prices do the same thing all the time. Comes up, makes a support for price to go up later. Sure, a lot of people would have a buy stop, buy limit right here at the support. It would make sense for a lot of people, right? But it's just, it's not my type of trader. So maybe if this candle, you know, if the 30-minute closes bullish, or if we close bearish and it buys above that candle, should be good. So let's see what happens here. Trade 2 GPGPY buys, break even. There you guys go, break even trade. Thanks Don, I'm out. Respects bro, appreciate that. You guys see, now that we're breaking the lows of the 15-minute time frame, there's no reason for you to be in this buy anymore. Oh wait, we didn't actually break the lows there. We're close though. Yeah, so if it breaks the low here, there's actually no reason for you to be in this trade no more. Oh, US30 might come down today.
Yeah, bro. Bruh. Freaking cases went through the roof this weekend.
Yeah.
That people expect, bro.
I mean, yo, this daily kind of flipped, bro, in one day. What the hell happened last night? It just flipped from the New York Open. I mean, Asian Open last night.
Bro, they heard Kanye for president. They don't want to hold no stocks. What does he know about stocks? Look at that.
That's funny. Oh, I love this PC. I'm looking at it right now, bro. Like, PC is actually so. I love it, bro. I fell in love with the PC.
I'm waiting for mine.
Oh, you ordered your parts?
Nah, I bought it. Someone's building it for me.
Oh, what parts do you have? What's your GPU? What's your graphics?
It's a Ryzen i5 2600.
Oh, that's the CPU. How about the GPU?
To 1080.
Oh, 1080.
Oh, yeah, 1080 GTX.
Oh, GTX.
It's not the
Oh,
TI.
Ti. Or just regular
Yeah,
one.
yeah, the
Oh,
regular one.
I got the super. I was gonna go for TI, but I'm
I,
like, is the
I,
TI worth it though? Like, I'm still right. I'm still pushing the same frames as I was if I were beyond TI. So it's like whatever. Like COD, when you're dropping like I think 120 on 1660 super,
I want to
130
get
on high settings
the
too. So
I
what?
want to get the newer one, the 2080, but
I
I think
think
it's
it's
like 1,000 itself.
yeah.
So
That's the YouTube. That's the Nick Merckx level. That's Nick Merckx right there. Yo, you watch Symphony? The
nah.
Bro, his keyboard and mouse is crazy with that. That's what inspired me to got keyboard and mouse. Switch over.
Tiffany?
Yeah, it's watch his I'll send you a video right here on YouTube of him playing. Uh, where is it? Right here. Watch this, bro. Tell me like he's not hacking, but it looks like he's hacking.
Oh yeah, that dude.
He's crazy. Like,
Yeah.
probably my favorite one. Like, cause I used to watch a lot of controller players like Nick Merckx, Swag, K3. Now I just watch like PC guys like Vicstar and Symphony. Those guys. They're demons, bro. If you guys got Warzone, let me know. Drop your ads in the chat. I'll add you guys up. Run it. Yeah, sometimes when you're playing Warzone with my members, I'll talk to them. Like I think I play with where is he? Hello, Montel's not in here right now, but I play with him, and we'll be like, yeah, I'm gonna buy right now, you know. So they'll get some exclusive entries while we're playing COD. Does the YouTube set look different now? Now that I'm on PC? Yeah, right? It looks better, right? Looks a lot clearer. Guys, let me know in chat. Does the PC look clearer than it was before? Than Friday's live stream or, you know, any day before Friday. Oh yeah, I'm not lying by the way. Look, I use Trace domain right here. Boom. Trace domain. There's no Vantage up, it's Trace domain. So if you guys want Trace domain, there's a link in the description. I think it's less grainy or something maybe. Oh, if you guys are in the stream, leave a like, guys. Like it up. I think we can hit 30 likes today. 30 likes is like the goal every day. That should be very achievable. With 70 viewers, 30 likes should be very achievable. Very, very achievable. You know, when you look for another entry, probably above these levels now, based off how it looks right now. Oh, I don't want to leave the site. Maybe potentially. This is a strong resistance here. So maybe. Above these levels, once you actually close above this level here, to go up bullish. Or if the 1 hour closes, if the 1 hour closes like this, yeah, I might look for an entry here on this kind of boom for a wick fill. But I think because now you can anticipate that this is a low for price to drive up bullish to fill his wick and then eventually break it, right? But I think guys, now that the 15 broke the lows, we have a high chance of pushing back down here. So that's why my stops is at entry here. Sorry, so I'm not in the trade. Doesn't make sense for you being in as well. I think this kind of might come down to these levels down here, but you want to be safer than sorry. So you want to trade like you want to do like all the actions you do in a trade every day should be the same actions you're willing to do every day, not just for the one day or just for one trade, right? You're trying to trade for a long run. So out of 1,000 times, what's gonna happen here? What are you gonna do here? So out of 1,000 times, I'll close here majority of the time. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna close as it hits entry. As it breaks the 15 mil lower, which had to be our entry too. So yeah. When you take a trade, you open one position or two? I open one position. Runners only work, guys, if you pop more than a 0.01 lot. 0.01 you can't close half or anything, so it kind of sucks, but you know, yeah. Runners is how runners work. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna look for Fridays then. Where is it? Where did I mention gold on Friday? I said how we're gonna pop up to. Oh, where was gold on Friday? So if you guys and look, bless you. I can't find it. I can't find it. But I said this on Friday. I said how we're gonna probably, if we do go up if we do go up that day, we're probably gonna pop down, break below support like this, and then pop back up to fill the range, and then eventually pop further up here. I said the exact same move. I'll look for a clip after, guys, but this is what happened on gold, you know, because like we're very bullish, right? So a lot of people would take sells here. A lot of people would take sells as we broke below this range here, but this is actually a fake out. Right here. So once this candle closed, come on. Once this candle closed below the range here, a lot of people look for sells below this candle, right there, that candle. It did go down. You can move your stops entry. You could avoid this fake out, but what happened after was price actually came up. Came back in the range and then filled the range. So this is that move that I always talk about. The 75% chance of filling the range and 85% chance of continuing, right? So the 85% chance of continuing part is the part where it reaches a resistance and has a higher chance to break. So this resistance right here, we're probably gonna pop up to 1881 today. 1781 today on gold, and then continue bullish, right? So a lot of people are trying to sell gold right now. I understand why, but gold is very bullish though. So it was kind of scary selling gold. If you're selling, it must be for a scalp or something, but I think, you know, as day traders, I would not sell gold at all. We're probably gonna pop to this level today, guys. 1780 today. I'm not gonna lie though, last week gold was way easier to trade. Way easier to trade. Than GJ. GJ was a bit more rangy than gold, but perfect mistake, thought the process. Let me check the chart out. Sure, I got you. Oh wait, what am I doing? There you go. Copy this. This. And then now I'll copy this again. Wrong chart, bro. Yeah, it's the wrong chart. Send a new chart. Refresh. Click the camera icon again and send a new chart. Generate a new link for it. I can't see it right now. You can have buy stops here as well. Just this range is kind of iffy here for me. Look left, there's a lot of range here. So I think the New York opens in 15 minutes here. So let's see what's happening. I'll wait for the Audi candle to close there. So like here, you guys are probably wondering, oh well, Don, why didn't you enter a buy as we broke the 15-minute high, right here? Why didn't you have a buy stop here? So the reason for that is because this range that you have here you don't have that much of an advantage here on this range. Because okay, so if this it's kind of confusing, you might not get it in one go, but let me explain to you what my thought process is. So the 30-minute time frame, this candle right here closed bullish, right? So when it closed bullish, it didn't close with that big of a wick. It was just like this, from here to here. That was your range, literally from there to there, right? Whereas if the candle closed like this, maybe. A nice wick like this, and the 15-minute time frame broke the highs of this candle right here, like down here. You have an advantage where you could move your stop loss when price gets to that resistance, right? But now that like this candle right here doesn't have that much range to go up, because if you look at the 30-minute, it's just kind of choppy here. It's kind of just resistance, right? You don't have that much range here. Because this wick right here is just technically a resistance. It's a minor resistance, so you can use that to your advantage and move your stops to entry. But you know, now it just doesn't make sense anymore. Because the 15 is breaking the high, sure, but that range that you have was quite small here. It was like what 3-pip range, so it's not even worth the trade. So that's why I didn't enter a buy there as the 15-minute broke the high. Trade 2 5 break even. Sure, it makes sense. Sure, it makes sense overall, but it's not my type of trade. I need a trade that has an advantage for me. You know, there's no advantage here for me. I think the word advantage thing when it comes to trading, I think I invented that. I don't think any other trader has said that before. You have an advantage here in the markets. Damn, we're about to hit 1,000 subscribers, bro. 1,000.
Wait.
Big 1,000. We grew pretty quick. We started a channel on February 14, 2020. And we have 20,000 views combined so far. So it's not even bad. No. For 700 views, 700 subs within February, March, April, May, June, July. 5 months, 700 subs. That's not bad. That's actually pretty good. Yeah, pretty solid. On cap.
700% account growth.
That's a 700% account growth, yeah.
5 months.
GJ is coming bullish here. Oh man, I need to activate Windows, guys. I'm using the free version right now. I didn't activate Windows yet. Yo, you know you guys can get activations for Windows or Microsoft Word on eBay using it for like $2 instead of paying a full fee. They because like companies have like extra software keys. They just sell it off. So.
I just be using my old school IT to get free Windows.
For people that want free Windows, there you go. Well, not free, but for hella cheap. There you go. Go on eBay, search up activation keys for Windows, and boom, yeah, for like $4, $5.
But this dude's
Nah,
going around shipment, smacking people with javelins, bro.
I think Windows 10 is free. No,
Nah.
Um,
pretty sure they had it free. Like Microsoft just ended up for free.
Nah, they need to make money somewhere.
Nah, cause I mean I got it. Unless, nah, yeah, nah, I got it.
I don't know, when I searched it, it
Let me
wasn't
double
free.
check.
Free
Nah.
school is maybe free. Take a look at gold. Yeah, gold went up. Yeah, I know. You know the vibes. Target today is 1780, guys. For gold. Sure you pushing up here. This is like a fake out right here. This is a pretty easy fake out here. You know, support,
Windows 10
resistance,
is.
price came back in the range, filled it, boom, continue on bullish. There's our fake out. Look at that entries on that 1 hour candle.
I hate.
Yo, if GG comes back down to make a top wick, to make a high wick here, I'm gonna look for an entry here. If it closes like this, you know, like this, and this wick's huge like this, I'm gonna look for a bias here. Come up like this. So, BB guys, for a quick second, I'm gonna get some water. I'm thirsty as shit. Oh, hold on.
Damn.
I hate when my fucking shit gets stopped out and then shoots right back into profit. That'd be the worst feeling, bro.
Yeah, lucky. I'm still in. I got in at 134
What up, guys?
409. So I type survivor pullback.
Gotcha.
Now we're breaking the.
Yo,
should
if
be
you
straight
break
into
the
break
4 hour
there.
high here, guys, man, we could pass the target today. If you break the 4 hour high, we could potentially pass the target today. We can probably come up to like, on
Yeah, I'm gonna leave
GJ,
that.
like 135 to 300. I think that would be a target we can reach today as well. Let's see. I'm hoping for this counter to drive down a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna drive down. It's gonna go straight up. So there's no entry for me is after this candle. I'm probably gonna wait for the first 15-minute candle to close at 8:15. But yeah, you know there are moves today. It's just that nothing followed my book today. It's just here entries, you know, unfortunately. But we broke the 15-minute lows as well, right? So it just didn't make sense for me to be in the trade. But you know, it is what it is. Damn, 10 pips right here as well. Yeah, it's gonna wait for the 8:15 candle when New York opens up. Wait for the first 15-minute candle to close. Why? Because the 1 hour's gonna close bullish and it's gonna have no range to go up. This candle's just gonna close like this. Maybe it might come down. Who knows? We got 2 minutes here, but if it closes above this range like this, the stops are way too big. So I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close to determine the next 15-minute low. So if the first 15-minute candle closes of the next hourly candle, you can see that that's the 15-minute, that's the 1 hour low for price to drive up. You can anticipate it, right? Because the 1 hour didn't close yet of the next candle. See how the first 15-minute candle closed here? Where is it? It closed here bullish. That was the low of the 1 hour, right? The 1 hour, that was the low after. So price never came down to that low. So you can use those things to anticipate your move up. That's kind of how you tell your stories, you know. On a 1 hour time frame, what do you got? You got the beginning, which is the 15-minute. So usually in the story, price doesn't come back to the story doesn't go back to the beginning. It just continues to go on. They have a middle right here, middle. You have an ending. So once it closes, that's your ending. right? So that's a little thing you can keep in mind there. Come on, GJ, come down, come down, come down a little more. I want it to come down to around these levels here. I'll be solid. Solid pips. Yo, where's Sam at? This guy asleep? If they want to close like this, you enter. No, I'm gonna wait for it to come down a little more. I want it to come down to here for me to enter a trade. I want a bigger range. Enjoy your stream. I'm a new trader. I'm a new viewer. Yeah, appreciate it, bro. Hope all goes well for you as a new trader.
Snox.
Yeah, probably gonna close above the range here. Oh, yeah, probably close above the range here. There's no trade for me. Probably wait for a 15-minute close, the first 15-minute. Oh, you're just starting your streams. Yeah. Oh, nice, bro. Appreciate it. You know, it's all free, guys. Everything I do here is all free on YouTube. Yeah. So, the best position to be in, you rather have a trade you enter if it breaks above the resistance, if it closes above the resistance, or if it closes below the resistance. But when it closes like at resistance, you don't want to be in that trade. Because if it closes below, you can anticipate that you're preparing to fill that wick. So let's say it closes like this, the 1 hour. Let's say the 1 hour closed like this. Right? That, or this. What would you rather want to be in of all three of these? Would you rather want to be in this, or this for buys? It's this candle for me right here, this middle candle. This stops are way too big for me. This you can maybe anticipate things to happen. Like you have this advantage here, like I said, from this body to the wick. You can move your stops to entry when price gets to that wick, or close half there at 10 pips, right? But this candle right here, close at resistance, means that I just rejected this resistance, baby. Sure, there's a wick there. There's still a little wick there, but I just muchly prefer this candle over this candle. Oh, 15-minute broke the lows as well. Yo, Jay, are you trailing your stops or just letting it run?
What'd you say?
Are you trailing your stop loss or just letting it run?
No, I'm gonna just let it run.
Oh.
I already secured, so I don't really care what happens.
Yeah. Yeah, the runners just don't even really gotta care about it. Gotcha.
I wasn't even looking at the trade. Hold up, let me see. I mean, I'm surviving the pullback, so let's see. Four-hour closes in an hour.
If it's 1 hour flips bullish though, you say this might be the 1 hour low for price to drive up here. Let's see. I think the nicest buys were probably right here. This is the nicest buys right here. 30-minute time frame. It's just that the 1 hour was bearish. Remember, guys, the 1 hour was bearish, so that would not be nice for me. But I drew this exact candle out. I drew this exact candle come up to here. This is the nicest buys. Right? Remember that post I have on Instagram? Yes, which you guys said you guys said B. You guys said you guys would rather buy on this candle down here than this candle up here in the range. This candle right here closing the range here. This exact candle, right? Look how similar it looks. I can't view it, but that from there to there, look how similar it looks. Bullish, bearish, bullish. below the candle. You know, bullish, bearish, bullish below the candle. A nice wick fill. Boom, price fill the wick. This candle has a higher chance of playing out than this candle. I'll say this candle has an 85% chance of playing out, and this one has like maybe like a 50-50 because it has no top wick and no range to go up. So yeah, that's what happened with GG here. If the 1 hour was bullish, I would for sure would have held this position, 100%. But you know, closed at -3 pips because it was bearish, right? Oh man, GG, gold came down to make support here. Probably gonna pop back in the range here as well. Yeah, because this is a gulag move right here. There's not enough support being made here for gold to go up. Let's see. It has a higher chance of coming down to this target and 5 and back in the range here. In the ranging. So what are you thinking to enter? What's your plan? There's no trade right now for me. At all. When there is a trade, I'll look at it. Target for me is 134.88 today. Target for me for the week is 138. These levels up here. 139 this week. Right, just right now there's no trade for me. I was looking for buys. I just told you my plan. My plan would have been this right here, this candle right here. That would have been the trade I would have entered off of. I would have entered like this. I think we did enter. Yeah, we did enter like this. I just got up because the 1 hour was bearish, but this would have been the trade. And the runner would have been up to like this target up here. Right, but it's unfortunate that the 1 hour was bearish. I mean, sure, this kind of still has a high chance of playing out like this, you know. This 1 hour candle has a high chance of flipping bullish like this. Just that, because now like all we gotta do is survive this low. As long as price respects that low, I can say that we're gonna push up in GG here to this target. Man, there break the low as well. So now this range, we're making a new range, guys, right here. That's your new range, because now that GJ came up, you know, we have made a resistance here, and we also made a support. Resistance here, and we also made a support right here. So this is your range now. I'll wait for a breakout. It's very simple from here. Yo, I'm Jay.
Yeah.
Yo, so I have a question about COD. So let's say, yo, you know how I can ping stuff? How do I unping it? Like not on the maps, like a live action ping. Like when I'm aiming down, how do I unping those pings?
Well, what are you using to ping? Shouldn't it just be the same?
Well, it's
like
not
if
working.
you're using the right click.
Not because whenever I click it again, I'm using shift, right? So whenever I click shift again, it just pings to then wherever I shift it to.
There's also an option, I'm pretty sure, that tells you there's like an unclick button.
I gotta look for it. Damn, yeah, cause I can't unping things. I was like, what the hell, bro?
Bro, it's another plague out, bro. Bro, it's another virus out, bro. We're done.
Yeah, I heard about it.
Fuck.
Is it getting bad though?
Wait, is it really?
Yeah, they just found it out recently.
Yo, Elon Musk paddles Tesla short sells. Short sells in just minutes. What happened to Tesla? Let's check it. Did it come down?
No. Buy Tesla, bro.
Oh no, I didn't. Yo, what if this news is gonna affect later on? Because it's like 17 minutes ago. What if it just opens up? Boom. Yo, imagine. Yeah.
Elon takes a picture with
Kanye West.
Kanye. That shit's gonna break through the
Kanye.
China.
Who says that? Donald Trump says it, right?
China.
Yeah, he says that.
Damn.
Yeah, see why I didn't enter this is gold here on a 1 hour close here. See? See? You see? Not enough range. There's no advantage here. There's no advantage at all here. Close that resistance. See? I'd rather just enter when it if this kind of were closed below it. Makes more sense. New traders might not understand it, but if you guys have a lot of experience and you guys been in the stream for a minute, you guys probably understand why. Because it goes to the whole wick fill thing, goes into all that, you know. There's a lot that comes with it.
Bubonic plague. I am dead. We're dead.
Do you think we should wait to reject support? I think you can need a bullish candle closure. A lot of people would have buy stops, buy limits right here on this candle. A lot of traders would do that. It's just that there's no confirmation for me for tensor buys if it closes bearish or if it's bearish. I don't have these type of trades anymore. I used to. But trying to get a wick entry is risky. Yeah, a lot of people have buy limits here, trying to get a wick entry because they wanna, you know, show off for the gram. It doesn't make sense.
Entry.
Yeah, they'll have buy limit here, get a wick, and be like, boom. You know, like how many? Like I just wonder, how many attempts does it take them to get a wick entry? Like it probably takes them 1,000 attempts, right? But they only show their wins, right? So you're never gonna see those attempts. You might think they're a GOAT trader because you see all those wick entries, right? But how many times have they failed at making those wick entries? Because I can literally hop on MT5 all day and just enter buys until I have a wick entry. Like, I could have entered a buy right there, right? Because it rejected out the support, right? It's just not my trading style. So it didn't make sense for me. Of 1,000 times, how often would that play out? Not quite often, man. I'll say probably around 50, 60. But you want a trade that you'll take that'll probably play out majority of times, more than 50%. For me, the trades I take are all like trades that I've been taking like hundreds of times in the past, right? So see my deals all the time. Ones I know they'll have a higher chance of playing out. Yeah, this trade, I mean, it made sense. You know, bounce off support here, didn't break the lows here. You know, it's just that. If this candle, however, had no top wick on GJ, if this 1 hour candle had no top wick, then I maybe would have attempted entry, because meaning that if the candle has no top wick and it just came down, this could have been just a pullback for that candle to go up. And where's your next logical support? Right here. So that's where the next logical place where price might reject off and continue bullish, right? But it's just, yeah, this candle had a top wick and then came back down, so it's a little different, a whole different scenario. If you guys enjoying the streams, leave a like on the stream. 72 viewers. I know we can hit 40, man. Like up the stream, guys. Go down, scroll down, leave a like, and that's all I'm asking for. It's a free stream, guys. Free stream. All I'm asking for is a quick little like, you know. If you're on your mobile, scroll down like 2 seconds, boom, like. If you're on your desktop, you know, same thing. Scroll down, boom. It's even easier than a desktop, so. Also, guys, DM me a picture of your trade setup. And if you guys are in the streams and you guys are watching on a different monitor or trading on a different monitor, that as well, just send a picture of that as well. That'd be even better. But send me your trade setups with if you guys are watching the streams, with the streams included. I want to see how yourselves look, cause I just got a new setup here, guys, today. I want to see how yours look. I know one of you guys probably have some major LED lights. I mean, RGB lights everywhere.
Bruh, I know someone finna pull out the super flex, bruh.
Some have like this.
Someone finna have
Someone's gonna have something like this, bruh. Boom! Oh my god.
The Megatron.
Yo, look at this. What the hell, bro? You know how much? Bro, you gotta have some crazy CPU to run this, bro.
Bruh,
Holy
one mess up and you're done,
This
bruh.
guy says simple trading setup. Man, I trade on a bike, bro. I sent the signal on a bike before. I don't need this setup. Like my setup right now looks something like this. This is my setup problem. This is all I need. This is all you need, bro. Literally all you need. If you're trading like 20 different pairs, sure you can use this, but you know, is it really necessary, man?
Bruh, if you have that, bruh, don't even talk to me, bruh.
If you have this,
too advanced
bro,
for me.
I don't know.
You're too advanced for me. I'm sorry, bro. I can't.
You have
I can't
this
keep up
for
with
one
this
trend line.
smartness. Bruh, Jaws one trend line. You should be trading. You
Literally
should be
did.
trading. Nigga like, why aren't you trading? Nigga like, look at him. No, look, click, look, zoom into his charts, bro. What you see? All those indicators for nothing.
Yeah, literally for
This man is 100K in debt right now. 30 years trading, zero profitability. Why buy more monitors when you're not profitable? What are you doing? This man just
I'm
doesn't.
stressing right now.
My man is
Stressing.
Look at his hairline.
Should I buy this?
Should I? Yo, he got 3 phones for each margin call, bro. All those phones for all those margin calls.
Yeah.
Why does this man have a calculator? What? Look at him.
Calculating how much you
Calculating his pips.
his debt,
Yo,
bro.
and pips.
He calculating his fucking debt with all those goddamn monitors and indicators, bro.
15-minute closing bullish? Yeah, it is.
Oh,
It is
we're
closing bullish.
Coming up here.
It is closing bullish, yeah, but let's see if it has no top wick, I'm not entering. Actually, yeah,
Lucky pato
actually, also
another.
makes sense. Yeah, 15 closed bullish
Right.
here.
It had like a little wick.
I think for me now buys
Yeah.
would be good above these levels here. Above this resistance should be good. I mean, yeah, the 15 does have a top wick. It might not really matter in this scenario because like the 1 hour still open, the 30 minutes still open, meaning that this might not be affected. I think buys above these levels would be nicer, more safe. 23 pips.
Oh, are you dying from laughter, or are you actually like your account's dying?
Who, me?
No, T Montana. Oh, he meant like, he was laughing. Oh, my bad. I'm like,
Nah,
bro,
he
what you
meant
mean? What
this.
you dying? You good, my homie? you need some 9/11, man?
You guys don't see young traders, man.
Oh, I got you. Bro, oh my god, watch this. Watch it. You finna laugh, bro. Boom. Look at him. That kid is on. Yo, is that the market maker? Oh,
these ones are the worst ones. This is the worst one, bro. This is the worst one.
Is that the dude that be like, is that the millionaire trader dude? Bruh, look at the dude in the blue suit. I'm
Bro,
dead.
look at the Supreme phone case and the device. And then you got this guy. I'm not gonna say much, but you got that guy. But then you know you got these guys. Oh, these are the worst ones, man.
Oh my days.
I'm on.
With the screenshot and the phone.
Yeah, like these
blue screen.
This is like, and then you got like, yeah, no, it's not a trader. You got like, you know, you got these dudes, the beach one, the ones at the beach with the laptop, the kickback. These are the worst ones, I'll say.
Oh
actually.
man.
When they're kicked back on the beach like this.
Oh man, not the dude on the freaking desk in the suit. Oh no.
Oh,
This man
no.
leaning on it with the freaking city in the background. Come on, dog. Look at this man in the pool with
Like,
freaking.
Man, you guys don't need to do that.
Where's
man.
the transparency, man?
Just all pure marketers are. They're all pure marketers. The ads guy is legit though. You know? I know him personally. Oh shit, you do?
Who?
I don't know who Ed is on Forex Ads. I don't know who the fuck that is.
Uh,
The only traders I know is Don Vote.
Yeah.
Only trader I know.
Yeah.
I know a lot of traders, but I don't know them right now, right? So I don't know any traders. Yeah, 15-day close bullish here. Above this level would be higher. Would be much better. I'll stay.
bro, y'all ever drop your phone like on the floor and like you're scared to flip it over?
Yeah, I know those ones.
Bro, them be the scariest shits ever, man. No cap.
Yeah, I ain't on your phone. No
See. I don't know, bro.
iPhone game.
I think my phone's fried, bro.
Just,
My bad for the cursing, though, but yeah, I think my phone's fried at this point. Maybe glitching up.
you can take screenshots.
Guys,
Guys.
gold has tapped that target. You can now remove your seatbelts. Why is my monitor choppy?
RSI is 90.
damn.
Looking at
Oh my god, my screen's choppy right now.
trust me, RSI it works, but in momentum plays it's gonna like stay in the overbought zone or oversold zone, and it could keep going, bro. The market don't stop. The market doesn't stop, man. Gold 1784.
Yeah, essentially.
Yeah.
Target they get tapped today. Next target for me would probably next target for GJ for gold would probably gonna be, let's see. Oh, at the resistance right now. Maybe like these levels right here. 1881, 1811. I did say we're gonna pop to this target though. Eventually. Maybe this month, for sure this month. 1811 for sure. As long as you stay bullish, right? But this is a pretty strong resistance here. But safe target would have been 1780. That would have been the TP. Oh, there you go, guys. If you guys got on buys here, looking for buys to target, they get tapped. This is no trade for me for right now for GJ. So. Depends on how you trade. If you look for breakouts, then it's not good to ever use this for resistance. $5. I don't know. Like I don't really use IRSIs. I don't really like. I used to use all those things, man. I'm telling you, I just dropped all of them. All I use now is my for resistance and my candle reading skills that I've developed with a lot of practice and a lot of reading candles takes a lot of work, man. I'm telling you. And it's not just looking at dojis, looking at reverse bear bullish engulfings, this and that. Those are patterns. That's different. This is like looking at actual candles. This is a little harder. See all those things. See how all those things happen similar. Those things that you could R size, fibs, like bearish engulfing and stuff like that. See what they all have one thing in common. You know what it is? Something that you gotta rely on. You gotta rely on the right side to tap this to buy. You gotta rely on the fibs to tap this to buy. You gotta rely on the bearish engulfing to buy. But this is different. This is actually candle reading. You know, every play is different. It's not just that one play every single time. Every play is different here. We're looking at these candles. That's what I'm saying. This takes a lot more work than just waiting for like an actual fib.
I don't like
bounce
fibs.
off a fib or something.
I hate fibs, bro. I'm sorry.
I remember like last 2 months ago, you using a fib. Like, yo, Jimmy, what are you doing, bro?
Like, yo, it was busted for like,
it busted. It's just that
then,
like, of 100 times, they probably play out like 50% of the time.
Yeah.
And that's not good. That's not good. Probably.
It's not good. Possibility.
Yeah.
I use it sometimes with like candle candle confirmations. Like if it would bounce up like 61 and then like the candle will close in my favor.
Like this, like the thing is, yeah, fibs do work, but they don't work like at a high percentage, you know. Like, yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna say like they complete trash, but they work. It's just like you gotta, like you just said, don't rely on just like, oh, it hits the 3.18 or it hits the whatever, whatever level it hits or whatever. Don't do that, bro. You gotta have more like ways to win. You can't just rely on like one way. Crazy man.
Not even that, just like, yo, using like fibs and using this, it's like, okay, so let's say I have a fib up.
Boom.
It's not a fib. How'd I put a fib up? Oh, this is a fib right here. Where is it? Fibs right here. Where is it? There we go. I have a fib up. You know, like, price bounced off the 61.8 retracement right here at the support. But like, how do you know if it's going to reject off the 31, 38 or the 50 or the 61? Like, how do you know which one's going to reject off of? Like, it's just a lot of things what they have in common is that, like, how do you know, like, that's the actual place where price is going to, like, sure, you can draw a trend line up and price could reject off this level here. But like, without kind of closing in your favor, how do you know that that's the low for price to go up? It can go, because like people think like, oh, price reach a max low and now it should be pushing up. There's no max level ever in the markets, man. There's never a max level. So don't think
like markets could keep going.
Like my target is 134 today, but that's just my next logical target, right? Daily target. But the daily target can actually be 138. You know, it can go up to 170 today if you want to. Who knows? But people, a lot of things people have in common is that like new traders, they just think that there's like certain levels that price reaches and it dips after. Like, oh, it bounced off this level 20 days ago. It's gonna dip off this level again. Like, oh, there's a resistance here. Price gonna reject this level and sell down to the support and make a double top. You know, that's what a lot of new traders get stuck with. And like once you get past that stage, guys, trust me, you're gonna save a lot of time and a lot of money.
Yeah. So glad I got a lot of courses for free. Cause boy, oh boy, most of them shits is not worth it. But it's one course out of them that I like the most. I'm not gonna say it though. Top secret, top secret.
Man, I wish I didn't buy that. No, actually, I benefited from that course.
I know what you're talking about. You regret it. You definitely regret that for sure.
I know what course I regret.
Damn, bro.
You know, guys, the only course you guys need
all the
is
information.
Right. Yo, literally all the streams. If you guys can afford my course, guys, live streams are free, bro. Live streams are free. Straight knowledge every day. So whoever dislikes the video, whatever, you know, do whatever you want to do. But you know, it's all free here, guys. And there's no charge at all. You can send charts in. You can ask questions. What you could have done better. You know, what you could improve on. This and that. I'll answer all of it, all of it. But you know, it's all free, man. This course has a lot more content, obviously, a lot more info. You can come back, rewind, and watch all you want. But like, you know, on the streams, it's all free, so it's all there. If you guys are liking the streams, then sure, you guys can go for the course. But you.
But yo, I'm still dead, bro. Man, that psychology, that course, man. Oh my god. What the hell does this shit have to be doing with me making money?
For real, man.
It's only one psychology of this course.
What's your thing symbol?
What's my fucking horoscope? What the hell? Huh?
Yo,
what the hell does this involve me catching piss for? The only look.
Wait, that's really.
Okay, I'm gonna say the course name that gave me the best.
Red package.
No.
Yo,
Okay, professional sniper, best psychology I ever heard, bro. This man is smart as hell. You know he don't know English like that. Man is a fucking psychology.
The only psychology you need is you, bro.
Wait, they bought a horoscope and trading.
Bro, no, that shit, man. I got that shit on BlackBerry, man. Horoscope, I'm dead.
Right now? Yeah,
funny.
sure.
Gold is flying, yes sir, it is. And you guys are now, you know, if you guys looking for buys now, it might be a lot more risky than getting down here.
Know what I'm saying?
You see how like anticipating the move is much better than waiting for an actual breakout. Like you would have been safer enter buy here, stop loss below there. Coming up to top this resistance, you move stops to entry right there, and let the runner go to this target. That would have been your trade, right? But you know, and if you enter here, stops would have been down here. That's like a nice 30-40 pip stop loss. See that? If you're on a breakout
you wanna know
the
who
range.
said it? I'm gonna wait for Don.
What happened?
Muhammad said, who said that?
Said what?
The horoscope shit.
Oh, it's red package.
Red package, man.
Red package, dude. You know.
I'm weak. Yo.
I'm weak. Yo, look, I'm like, wow.
Wait, no, there's no hate. There's no hate in the stream, so you know this is all positive vibes.
Yeah, no,
it is funny.
Good vibes. Good vibes.
Yeah, he said he's some. What do you say, Jimmy? If you have,
right,
if you're in Aries, use the Fibonacci.
No, not like that. No. It's just like personality traits, really.
If you're Aries, you should be a scalper. You know, I feel like you should be or this like.
I'm like, what the fuck?
Guys, the answer to all that is you find it in yourself.
Yeah.
you will find your own trading style by yourself. No one's gonna say that, like, no one could determine that for you. Nothing will determine that for
Yeah,
you by yourself. You
cause a
can't
lot of
copy
people
that. A
want
lot
to
of people
be like
DM
somebody
me.
else.
A lot of people DM me. They say, Don, should I do this and this? Will I be like you? I'm like, why are you trying to be like me? Be yourself and be better than me.
Mm-hmm.
And they're like, oh, but I see how you did this today. So how exactly did you do that? Do this, that, and it's just, it goes on and on. I just want to like copy the exact same things I do every single day, because they think that that will work for them. When since it works for me, doesn't mean it'll work for them, you know. So,
Yeah.
but you know, everything's on the stream, sir. I just don't know, man.
Transparency, man.
Keep asking me these questions, yeah.
Yeah. But I'm out to holler at you. Might go somewhere real quick.
All right, bro.
Yeah.
I'll catch you in a bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
If the 15 closes bearish, looking for an bullish, looking for an entry, no, because 30 minutes still gonna close bearish here. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Same dude's flexing the Lambos. Or saying you trade based off your horoscopes. Yeah, I don't know, man. Like, guys, I'm telling you guys, 2020 to the next decade, 2030. Like the Lambos, the fancifications, pictures on the beach, 20 different monitors on the screen, is left back in 20 from the last decade. You know, like I'm telling you. Now it's all about true value, guys. It's gonna change. You guys gonna see it. You guys
The
gonna know.
end
Yeah, you guys
is
gonna
coming
notice it
this
too. I'm
year.
telling you. This is a whole new trend. So find trends early, invest into them, and boom. But man,
Watch
dudes
this.
flexing those Lambos, man. Bye bye. This coronavirus, you can't flex those shopping. They can't shop anymore. You can't flex all that anymore. Bye bye. See, right now, it's true value is in right now. It's already kicking off.
It's like this. And then like everyone that's really flexing, big lots on US 30. I'm telling you, it's taking advantage of the virus. Because if the conditions were normal, I swear you won't see none of those big profits that you're seeing now.
Someone's gonna try. Oh, it's on iPhone. Nice.
Nice.
Uh.
Hmm.
On the app, right? Yeah, it's on the app. Top of bottom.
Hmm.
Yeah, it makes sense. Well, makes sense. I just don't see what you're trying to show me here. Are you showing me a trade that you're trying to take, or, you know? Like I said, guys, I'll be more impressed if you send me a chart that hasn't played out yet than a chart that's actually played out. Because there's no reason for it. Like, I don't care what. It's not going to benefit you. It's not going to benefit me, you know? I'd rather you share your trade ideas as the move didn't play out yet. If you're going to buy, you know, send a chart. I'm going to buy here, guys. Explain it, you know, why you're going to buy. This massive support, etc. Broke the highs here, you know. That'll be much better. But saying a chart that's already played out is useless. My bad, geez. Nah, you're good, bro. The chart was fine. It's just next time just send a chart that you actually you know, about to enter. But yeah, chart is good though. A lot of them. I like the detail you have here. All the information on the chart. That's good. Just next time, just send a chart that hasn't played out yet, and do the same thing. Then you can tilt your phone sideways and send it. I think that'll work too. Go start the week. Looking at stream similar last week. Did it? Nice. Yeah, just bullish, man. We're just bullish. Shit. I think once you break above these levels on gold here, you can pop to 1811. Above these levels here. Above this level. Above that level, you can pop up to this level. Up here. Just clear traffic. Look left. There's no left here, but if you go all the way left, there's clear traffic here. So that's the weekly target, probably. The weekly target.
Wow.
Um,
I'm dead. Tesla finna start
Going
like
down?
selling clothes. Nah, it's gonna go up.
Oh,
Starting to sell clothing now. Wow.
Kanye. Definitely Kanye involved. 100%.
Bruh, them look
Definitely
like
Kanye, Cap, and Tesla, bro. Come on now.
they like track shorts. I'm dead.
Definitely Kanye.
Yeah. Kanye was like, "Hey, bruh, you have to sell this, bruh. Put your name on it though, but you gotta sell it. It's my shit, but you gotta sell it, bro. Please. They gonna troll me if I sell this in my name." You ever try stocks or not?
Nah, bro. I never. It's too
Yeah.
complicated.
I tried that
I
shit
never looked
once,
into it.
never again. Run. Like, yo, the headache of looking at all these companies, bro. Like, man, I was going insane, bro.
Yeah, like I think the only stock I do trade is US 30. That's a stock, but not like actual stocks.
Who is Mr. Futures, bro? Looking at. Dang, bro. I woke up dumb early this morning.
GJ came down to make some type. Yeah, so you have the 15-minute closed bearish here. You know, we closed bearish, no bond wick though. But, you know, we broke that support, came down to this support. I think buys right now would be much more safe, like, if it were to look like above the range here. Above this range, above 134, you can get buys in for a nice 30 pip move here. So I'm gonna be on the stream for a little longer today, because I'm not missing these buys today. I mean, I'm comfortable with my trades today. You know, it's whatever. I'm so comfortable with them. It's not like the end of the world, but just that I really see bias today on GJ, so I'm expecting a move. But if 9 p.m. comes, there's still no volume, then because technically today nothing really happened. We're still in this range here all day. We're in the range this entire day today.
What's the lowest target if it's short? Someone asked.
You just said I did say it's gonna be a bearish candle. Do you think I should buy? Well, ask yourself. If you're going to America, are you gonna hop on an American bus or a Canadian bus? Same thing. If you're looking for a buy, you're gonna hop on a bearish candle or a bullish candle. Bullish candle. Same then. So there's no
Bearish
buys.
candle.
What's the lowest target if it's shorts? There's no lowest targets. So targets. Whenever you see me put targets up, it's not the lowest target. It's not the highest targets. It's just logical targets. So I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna short or not because like we haven't broken any lows in the 1 hour yet or the 30-minute, right? I think once we actually break the lows, if we do break the 30-minute low on this candle, you could probably pop down to this level right here. From there to there, that would be your range. But other than that, like there's no sells right now at all. I'm bullish right now, still bullish. Just that there's no trade right now as well. Then you can wait for the once we break the highs here or once you break out this range here, you can probably pop a buy entry in. Yeah. You jump in blue already? No, I'm not in. I only took 2 trades today. I took a buy earlier. I took another buy, break even after. It was like 9% profit. I actually showed you this. Dang it. But yeah. Gold buys called as well. Gold buys, GG buys as well. US 30 looks like it's gonna continue up here as well. Damn. US 30, if it does pop up today, we can probably pop up to these levels up here. But you know what I gotta do it again? I gotta start waking up at 5:30 again, man. Training day feels way much longer. When I wake up at 6, it feels so much shorter, bro. It literally feels like 30 minutes. It feels like I've been streaming for an hour, but it's been like 2 hours, bro. It's actually so crazy. So if it drops, then buy. Do you buy now? If it drops, why would you buy it? Man, you gotta wait for confirmation. There's no trade for me right now, man. We're in this range here. We're making this range here. We're in this range. Copy. Buy low, so high. Yeah. I mean, now you're just like, I don't know. This is, yeah, it makes sense, I guess. I mean, I think you're just drawing arrows and predicting what's gonna do instead of seeing what's gonna do. Cause anyway, anyone can just draw an arrow like this. Boom, boom. Then go up, retest the slow, continue up, retest the slow, and go up. Yeah, anyone can just do that. But I don't know. I think you should just wait for the candle to actually break the highs here to go up, or wait for price to go down here. Look for entries down here as it's going up. You know, but as it closes bullish below here, I guess down here. Look for entries to go up, fill the range here, then eventually come up. But if you just draw an arrow like this, you know, have a buy limit there, go up. It's just, I don't know. I feel like anyone can just market control like that. Damn, go to the dash, the digital dash. That way. True forward like I'm Kobe. But my question is, Jimmy, where is Samuel Huntley?
Where is Samuel Huntley? He is location bed, sleeping. Once again, I don't know, man. He finna. Oh shit! What's up, bruh?
Yeah, tell him GG made that huge move, the biggest move today. Be like, yo, GG went out 2,000 pips today.
Hold on.
Like, it went out 200 pips today. We're caught by.
Now you gotta make it something more believable.
Oh man, sometimes like I always leave my long entry and pray. Man, if you're entering a
Bro.
position and you're praying, you shouldn't be in that position in the
Bro, get
first
out.
place, man.
Bro,
Like, wait,
I'm gonna buy.
people enter positions just they think it's gonna go up to this. Like, sure, I did say G's gonna go up to this target, and majority of the times it does play us to those targets. But it's just that right now there's no entries, man. You gotta look for those entries, bro. You gotta look for those crisp entries. Or if you just enter position, just praying, removing stop loss, G can easily just reverse down here, you know.
Yo, Don. Someone dropped the trade idea.
I looked at it already.
Oh,
It was arrows.
Okay. T Montana. Nah. When there's a bearish candle, just follow the train, follow the bus, man. If it goes one way, don't try to go the other way. You know.
But nothing.
Like my analogy that I told the homies a few months ago. You know, don't be a crip going to a blood neighborhood. Don't be a blood going to a crip neighborhood. You know, because you know what happened? You figured your ass beat up. So yeah, stay in your neighborhood, man.
Yeah, like some guys is like entering a buy here and you know is thinking that this is the lowest price can actually tap in a couple of years and go up.
Are you sure about that?
Trust the pyramid chat. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
I'm
I just
still
feel like
dead.
they should trade what they see and not what they think, man.
Yeah.
Like I don't know what a golden cross is, guys, but
Oh yeah, I never heard that either. I hear about that a lot.
I don't know what that is,
Golden
bro.
cross.
But I don't know. They're like,
What's
this
that?
is the lowest it's tapped since 2017. It should go up from here. Yeah, it does. Like I did say, we're going to 145. Like that is a target for long term. Like I'm bullish. Like I was always bullish, even when we're selling down here, I was always bullish. Just that it doesn't mean that I'm gonna hold a buy position until we reach that target, because it doesn't make sense. You know, I'm trying to keep my stops at minimum, preserve my capital here. So I'm looking for buys and leaving scalps, turning scalps into runners. That's what I'm doing for price to go up every single time. Like I'm just gonna cash 10 pips here, dip, catch it again up here, dip. You know, it's gonna add up to all those pips at the end of the day. But if you're just like spraying and praying, like in COD, like spraying and praying, like
spray pray, nah, bro. We don't do those. We do that.
I think you should
We look. We open our eyes. You know.
yeah, trade what you see, guys. I'm telling you, that's the most important thing I've learned. Trade what you see, not what you think, bro. That's just because you think I don't know, just trade what you see, bro.
It's like, yeah.
It's the biggest thing when it comes to traders, because they think whatever they think is gonna take over their ego, take over their trading style, and they're just gonna end up thinking like they're in the buys, get stopped out, remove stop loss. Oh, this is still gonna buy. We're still gonna buy here. We're still gonna buy here, and then eventually they're gonna blow their account. Be like, well, why did I blow my account? Well, that's why you did. And then they're gonna be like, oh, okay. Well, next time I'm not gonna do that. Guess what they do next time? Do the same thing again. And then they're like, why did I blow my account? And then boom, boom. It's gonna add up to all these blown accounts off of just one type of ego you have in your head. So once you stop doing that, I'm telling you, just once you stop doing what you think and what you see, that's when you're gonna get through that little pullback of yours.
Wait, what? Wow. Like, my magic key's not working, sir. I want a refund. Look at this.
I feel like, man,
What's up? Drop some knowledge.
like when I started trading, I was always drawing arrows, you know. I'm a rogue. Isn't it the same Muhammad from last time? Am I tripping? Oh no, it's not. It's a different Muhammad. But yeah, like I feel, guys, you gotta understand. Like when I first started trading, I was like everyone else, you know. I was new trading. I tried a lot of things, didn't work out. But then as I start progressing, I started to remove things that actually don't work for me. So that's why whenever you hear me say, "Oh, I don't even use fibs, I don't like this and that," it's because it didn't work for me. I've used them before, right? But that doesn't mean it's not gonna work for you. It could work for you too. It's just that for me it didn't work. It worked for me, but of 100 times, I'll say it didn't play out majority of the time. It played out like majority of the times, but it just wasn't as consistent. So, I feel like, what am I? Oh, like, so for example, earlier when I talked about the arrows, you know, don't feel offended or anything when I say when I give you guys like when you guys say I tried it, and I'm like, oh, I don't like how this looks, this and that. Right? It's just from what I see and what I experience with, because I used to draw arrows too. Trust me, you guys can go back to the here. I used to look like this. This is how my charts used to look. I'll show you guys how it used to look. My old charts would look like this. They'd be like this, and they'll just be like, oh yeah, I got a trend line here. Boom. Boom. Got another trend line here. Boom. Price bounce off this trend line. Enter a buy here. Boom. Go up to that resistance. You know, enter a fib now. And look like this. Boom. Or whatever fib. And like, that's how my charts needs to look, right? And just have a bunch of arrows like this. That's how my charts needs to look as well. Where the arrows at? Right here. Boom. 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 Literally like this. That's how my charts used to look. So I've been there, trust me. I used to trade it like that as well. Now it's just come to a point where I start to refine my things to a T. Like first when you start off, obviously you're gonna have a lot of flaws, so you gotta remove. It takes a longer to remove things, but once you start again removing those things, you can start like minimizing it down to little things, until those little things add to big things. And that's when trading become fun and interesting, when you can actually like remove all those flaws you have little by little. GG is going down. Yeah. I think once
Yo,
price
I'm
is
back.
low, we can
Yo,
probably
I
come
don't
down
know
to close
why
range.
my PC just turned off by itself.
Come on, bro. I just want you to win. What if gold? What if it came up 500 pips, bro?
Bro, my shit just turned off out of nowhere. Like I was just chilling on my phone, then like all the fans just turned off. I'm like, wait, what? I ain't never hear that before.
How many fans are you on your thing?
3.
Oh, at the front?
Got 3 in the front. I'm like, yo, what?
Yeah,
I'm
GG
like,
is a fake
yo.
out. Yeah, it is a fake out because this 15-minute time frame closed bearish at resistance. So when it closed bearish, it came back into range and it filled the range. So if this is a fake out, the move that it filled the range, it has an 85% chance of playing out, and it has a 75% chance of breaking the support to come down. If this is a fake out, so pretty much when it breaks the 1 hour low, I think down there, we could probably pop down to these levels down here. But yeah, so fake out, all that fake out is, guys, don't get scared of the word fake out, man. I don't think it's like some market fake out. It's just a fake out is just when price breaks the support. See, we made a resistance here. We made a resistance right at these levels. Sorry, resistance, boom, we broke out of resistance. This now becomes a support. Price comes down, breaks support, comes back into range, fills it, and boom. That's why it's called a fake out. Pretty much from support come down to the next support. That's all that it is, right? But don't think of it as, you know, market fake out, whatever. It's just, that's all that is just support and resistance. Yeah, that's a fake out though. That's a fake out. You should fake out up to go down here. Just the 1 hour is still hasn't broken the lows yet, so I'm not gonna sell off. I'm not selling today, guys. If sells do happen, I'm just gonna hop. I'm just gonna end the stream because I'm not looking for sells at all. Gotta stick to my plan.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna hit up where I bought my computer at, cause I ain't never heard that. That shit ain't never happened to me.
Come on, man. It's
Super,
probably your
nah,
CPU.
No, it
Wait,
was just like my fans. It literally
do you
did
leave
this.
your thing on overnight,
No.
or you turn off your PC?
Yeah,
I know
of
people
course I
who
turn
leave
off my
their
PC.
I know people who leave their PC on.
Oh, you tripping, bro? Nah. But now look, I don't know. Look, I see like the 3 fans stop moving. I'm like, wait, what? And then like the whole thing is turned off. I'm like, wait, huh? And then I was like, all right, bet that was weird. And like it just went back to normal. I'm like, that ain't never happened before. I swear, bro, I had this for like almost like 3 years. That ain't never happened. It's whatever, though.
I already got sat in to look at this, man. Come on. I don't want to sat in yet. Yeah. If you guys enjoying the streams, oh, Mohammed, oh, peace, bro. Catch you later, bro. Catch you tomorrow on the pip side, on the blue side. I mean, this trade we had today did go in profit by 9 pips, you know. I was just very stubborn today. It did tap the resistance, but I thought I could have came up a little more. It tapped, I think, where was it? We tapped, this buy we had was based off a 30-minute right here, I think. No, where is it? 15-minute? This right here? No, it wasn't there. Where is it? Am I tripping? 15-minute, right? Was it right here? No, it wasn't. Down here? I'm not sure where it was, but this is exactly where I don't know how to trade. What? Yeah, GG's coming back down to range here. We broke the support. I think once you close bearish here, we should pop down to these levels down here. This is the next logical support. If you want to be extra risky, you can move your support, your TP down in here, but it's just, I'm not really bearish today, so I think safe TP would be here if you're entering for sells. I'm not entering for sells though, guys. I'm just gonna watch the sells play out, if anything. Because on a 1 hour, what happened here, guys? You understand why it came down. So 1 hour time frame made a resistance. Price broke above the resistance right here. Broke above these levels right here. This candle closed bullish with at the resistance area, right? So we didn't enter buys there, but what happened after is now that we don't have enough of a support, price is making that support right here. This could be the next support level because this is a logical support. But this could be an area where price could make support to go up bullish. Doesn't mean that that doesn't mean that you enter a buy here though. There's no confirmation right now. Price can each drop down in here, right? So either here or here, price can make support at. Those logical levels right there. Because why? It's not gonna be support here. That's the middle of a candle. It's gonna make support at these logical support areas right here. So once price makes that support and closes bullish, starts to form some type of resistance and breaks all of that resistance, you can probably pop an entry for a buy to go up. So this on a 1 hour time frame could look like this. On a 30-minute time frame, it can look like this. Price comes down, makes a resistance. Obviously, comes down like this, makes a resistance. And then what happens after? Price closes bullish here. Well, forms bullish like this, and then actually eventually continues up bullish. Because now when it's supposed to have support, you now have a support, so you can draw a support like this. You can draw your support looking like this, and your resistance looking like this, and then that could be you have a range after, right? So all you gotta do after is wait for a break out of that range, go up bullish, and then you can start buying GG back up, for price to come up bullish to fill the range again, and eventually tap these highs up here, this resistance, and then eventually this resistance, right? But until this happens, there's no buys yet. You're gonna have to wait a little more. You're gonna have to wait for a next like 9:15 candle or something, because this candle's gonna close bearish, so you need like a bullish candle, and then you gotta wait for another bullish candle to break above that resistance. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna wait for on GG today. Kind of a lot to take in, but yeah, that's all that market is. It's a bunch of support and resistance being created. Reject the Asian high. Yeah, they reject the Asian high. They didn't break the 4-hour high yet. They didn't break the. They broke the daily high, but they didn't break the 4-hour high yet. So the previous 4-hour high candle is bearish, so this candle's gonna close bullish here. So we have a high chance of filling this wick. So this candle has a high chance of doing this. This candle has a high chance of closing like this. Boom. Come up to this target like that. 134.88. Once the 4-hour closes, you can have a buy. This candle can pop up like this as long as it respects this low here. This is our wick fill, right? If you guys know what a wick fill is basically this on a smaller time frame. This is a wick fill. Wick fill like this. This is a wick fill, kind of like this. And then on a smaller time frame, it'll look like this. So let's say this is a 4-hour time frame. There's 4 1-hour candles, right? So on a 1-hour time frame, it'll look like this. It'll come up. Boom. And then boom. Then eventually, boom. And then eventually the last candle will pop down like this. Oh, pop down bearish. Like this. And then now, what you have here is you have that wick. So this is the 1-hour time frame. And from here down, this is the, no, this is the 4-hour time frame, this is the 1-hour time frame. This is how it looks. This wick was created by this candle here that came down. So this is making support here. So that's what you see on GG right now. On a 1-hour time frame, we came down to that support level. So we have a high chance of pushing up because the higher time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, is going to close bullish here. So, yeah, probably wait for a 15-minute or something to close bullish to support here for price to push up. Because now what's going to happen is we're going to fill this wick like this. Probably going to fill this wick like this. And then break that resistance, and then on this time frame, it's gonna pop up like this. Boom. And then once it kind of closes bullish on the smaller time frame, the 15-minute time frame, you can pop up like this, bullish to break the highs. And that's how you see wick fills filling the wicks, and then that's how you see it breaking the wicks as well, because this is what's forming on a smaller time frame. So that's a little lesson on wick fills. I probably explain every single stream.
Yeah.
I think it will raise again. Yeah, probably will.
As long as it respected that previous 1 hour, we good.
Yeah. This could come back to retest 500, continue bear, and move down to 34, 5. Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, that's why I answered everything though, bro.
Yeah.
Like, it was too much information to take in, or like this situation.
Too many gems drop for you, bro.
I do that really like.
Too much heat. Too much heat drop, man.
Too much heat, man.
Yeah, rejected support here. See? That resistance.
It's that boy Anthony Bennett back in the building.
Anthony Bennett, you know about his first draft pick, bust draft. Imagine it's actually him. Oh,
no.
Man.
If it was though, I'm dead. Oh, bro, you sent the link to Jalen? Or no?
I did, bro. This guy, I don't know what it says. He tells us the link every morning, but doesn't join it. It's weird.
Sleep.
So weird.
Let's join once and never want to come back. What do we do to you? We're friends. That's the homie over. Okay. Cool guy. Wait, so you're streaming on 1080p right now, right?
Yeah, is it? Yeah, 1080p, 60 FPS.
Dang. Bro, I see the difference now, bro.
No, it's been on 1080 before too.
No, like,
Check
color
Friday stream.
difference.
Color difference is it better?
Yeah, cause like it looked more yellowish on when you was on Mac, but
Let me
on
check.
PC just looks way better. Like it just looks like the same that I see on Zoom. Super clean.
Is there a way I can change fonts on my?
I don't know what. That pullback had us in the first, looking at us.
Uh,
Don't worry. I'm gonna enter a trade after this hour close candle and 15-minute closes. So 9:15 candle. Gotcha, my friend.
Yeah. So the first 15-minute candle's on close. If the 1 hour close is bullish, and the first 15-minute candle closes, you can see that that's the 1 hour low for our next candle to go up. Maybe even form a low.
Yeah.
But yeah, as far as looking good here.
For this life I cannot change.
For this life I cannot change. In the hills.
Bruh, hardest song. I can never get tired of it.
Yeah, 1 hour close bearish here, so there's no trade just
Right.
yet. I think
Until when the candles flips bullish and breaks above the previous.
you can actually have a buy stop here on GJ.
Where at though?
As you break this high here.
Gotcha.
I think that'll be right here, I think. As we break that 1 hour high.
Bruh, I think I developed a sleeping schedule now, bruh. It's lit.
Yeah, this kind of has a high chance of on this range.
11 o'clock max, I'll go to sleep. I have a habit of taking profits early without hitting my target. I mean, shit, I don't know.
You don't have when you close your that's not a problem. That's just your conscious level. If you're closing of a trade, you're closing because that's your comfort level. That's where you feel like that's where your mind's telling you you're closed, and there's nothing wrong with that. Just closing and going on your day. You don't need to hold position just because the dude over here is holding a 1,000 pip move here. You don't gotta trade what you want. Close it when you feel that you want to close it, and that's it. There's no certain amount of pips you need to catch every day or a certain amount of targets you need to catch. If you miss the move, don't worry. There's gonna be a whole new move tomorrow. Don't stress.
T Montana, it's okay, bro. It's okay. As long as you secure profits, that's all that matters.
Oh, Henrique has the nicest charts. I'm not even gonna lie. This guy has the nicest charts. I get in chats here. Guaranteed nicest charts.
Yeah,
follows everything.
T Montana, it's okay, bro. As long as
look at this. Boom, perfect chart. I knew he was gonna send this. This is exactly what I was looking at. Yeah, look, 4 hour close bullish here. Nice wick fill here. Let's see. I'm explaining without even reading his stuff. See, look at this. Look, he's in the trade here. Stop us 4 hour. He got in right here. His TP is around his area. Closing the price gets here. See, everyone's just making sense. See, these are the charts that I want, man. These are nice charts. These are nice charts over here. Good looking charts here. Why is it so zoomed up? That's a real question.
He's probably, I don't know.
No, for me.
Oh, for you? Hold on, click out.
I got it.
Oh.
Yeah. Yep. Looking good here.
Yeah. Alright. 9 minute. I said 9 minute. 9 o'clock.
I'm gonna attempt to buy here, guys. As we're breaking the previous 15 candle. I'm just this is the low price to drive up. Okay, and right here, 5 pip stop loss. This is my last trade of the day. TP is gonna be probably around these levels here. Maybe around these levels up here. For runners, right? But this is my original TP here for GJ. Probably gonna close like 50% when price gets to this level. Stop loss is below the current candle low for 5 pips.
Alright, bet.
What does that mean?
Oh, I'm finna pop standard. Looking at
Alright, bet.
I'm fine. No, I'm fine. I'll never do it until my
Yep.
account's ready.
The 4-hour guys is bullish. We made a low wick. We're currently filling this wick. So if we're breaking the 15-minute highs here, we can probably fill this range here and eventually pop up these levels up here. So. Runner going to 134.888.
I don't miss on NFP. Looking at it.
Oh, those biceps are so nice. EP.
Stop loss is under candle. Noise.
Yeah, it's 5 pip stop loss.
Gotcha.
4 point.
Nah, I'm just reading the comments.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yep, guys, I'm in this buy here. Got position here in GJ. Perfecto.
Yeah. That's good. Oh,
Profit
2
here.
euros? Oh, is that a euro sign? Yeah, it's a euro. That's cool. I never seen that before.
Oh, you're from Europe.
Where you from, T? T, Montana? Pound. Oh, pound. I'm tripping. Whoops. UK. Gotcha. Oh, I'm from Atlanta. Atlanta, Georgia. Where you from, Don?
Toronto, bro.
Toronto? Yeah. No. London. What's up? Decent dude. Appreciate it. Oh, candy. Bro, what would you do if the cannon just like shot straight up, like just broke the MT5?
What? GJ?
Yeah.
Oh.
What is just like straight up?
Oh shit.
God damn.
That'd be a good reaction.
Right. I wish you started streaming when Brexit happened, bruh. The reactions in that Zoom call would be hilarious, bruh. Man, everyone would go crazy in that bit. Bro, what made you start streaming?
Me?
Yeah. Like, what was your
I feel like
I'm gonna
when I
just try
stream
it out.
live,
Yeah.
I'm a little more disciplined as well. But I just wanted to just at first it was actually just training with you guys, like with the live stream people, just like the VIP chats, and then as I started going, I'm like, okay, maybe this is actually kind of cool. I want to do this every morning, so I'm like, okay, maybe I should stream every morning because like, training alone is kind of boring, you know.
Yeah.
And when you train with people, it's a lot better.
Sure.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to stream.
Cause, bruh.
We just imagine training alone, man. Sitting at home, just like not talking to anyone, just looking at charts, just unit charts. It's kind of boring. But when you have like that, at least some type of sound in the background, or just talking to someone, it's just a lot better.
Cause, bruh, I used to be bored as hell trading in London, bruh. I'm like, bruh, this is boring.
And you start just to do stupid things too, because like you just start to
Yeah.
get bored. You start to like, enter more trades, positions, because you're just bored. And it's just,
I used to stack like crazy in London, bruh. before like news comes out,
Hmm.
and like if I know like and like candles and everything forming perfectly, I'm gonna just stack. But then like I'm like that's a terrible habit. Damn. GJ is in profit, boys.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You hear 6ix9ine song? Yeah, yeah.
Who?
6ix9ine dropped the song.
Oh, I didn't hear it.
Oh.
I didn't hear it yet. Zimbabwe. That's what's up. That's what's up.
The Spanish
Yeah.
song.
We got everybody in the bit. Brazil. Hey, what's up? What's up? Enrique. What's up? Dang, we got everybody from the whole world in here, bro. When we see the first Vietnam, bro, you coming in the Zoom call, looking at it.
Guys, I'm gonna move stops to entry here on GG, guys. Because you just tap this resistance right here. So that's the advantage we have. Move stops to entry here. Because price could reject off this level, right? So, yeah, stops to entry for me right now. On this trade. And since it's my third trade today, so I gotta be very cautious with it. I haven't, yeah, first trade is 3 pip loss, second trade break even. This is the third trade today, so I try not to overtrade, And yeah, it's my last trade of the day. Trying to buys as we broke the 15-minute highs, as the 4-hour is gonna fill his wick here and continue up to retest as high as the target today. So this is my buy. And US, where are you guys from? I'm from, yeah, you guys know where I'm from.
Bro. Oh yeah. It's this thing in Atlanta that every club do. Bro, it's hilarious.
What is it?
It's like they scream out ATL ho. That should be lit, bro. It don't matter what club. It should be EDM. It be goddamn rap. Bruh. Once you hear that, it's gonna get lit. Which is nuts.
Yeah.
Ghana. Oh, that's what's up. What's up, bro? Got everybody in the bed. Woo. 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 Look at that.
Yeah, stops are break even right now, guys.
Yeah, just chill out. We good.
Just tap this my resistance here. I do expect it to break actually. It's just that, I'm following my own rules every time. This is an advantage you have. And you guys, you guys probably the first time you guys hear about advantage in the markets. People say advantage, but this is my type of advantage here. The advantage here I had was I had this range here. I knew that price was gonna drive up to this level, minimum. Because you look left, there's no traffic here. So you can use that to your advantage and say you can move stops to entry as price reaches that target. Then now you can just leave a runner or leave your full position going up to here with stops to entry. So you're always trying to minimize your capital.
Maximize.
I mean maximize. What is it? Oh, trying to
Capital preservation.
Yeah,
man.
yeah. Yeah, so hit entry, guys. Let's see. I think facing bug closer, bullish. Let's see.
Really?
Let's see. I'm waiting for the 15 to close. Cause like now that we're breaking the lows of, or we're coming back down, breaking the lows of the 5-minute, you could potentially pop down to these levels right here. So I'd rather wait for an actual closure of this 15-minute candle now to look for another entry. If I were to look for another entry. But yeah, entries have been hit for that trade. So all I took were buys today.
Oh, we got stopped out on entry.
Yeah.
T. Trade 3, break even. Fine.
Yes, sir.
There are 4 long wicks. Don't you think that means a big resistance and price will fall?
Look at the 4-hour.
Oh.
This is a trade I've entered multiple times in the past. This is a trade I've entered thousands of. I've seen it. It's just that the trade right now, if you're looking for the same trade, it will not make sense though, because now we're actually bearish here, so we're breaking it. We have a higher chance of pushing down here. They remain closed bearish. You know, whenever they close bearish, we're gonna break the 1-hour high, so now we have a high chance of pushing back down here. Close wick, right? This trade is based off the 4-hour mainly. Yeah. There's no trade right now, guys. 15's about to close. See why I moved stops to entry, guys? Look what happened. If you're in this trade right now, you'll be in drawdown. There's no need for drawdown at all. So there you go. Lost $8. How'd you lose $8 on this trade? Risk the stops for an entry, man.
8 pounds, man.
Did you get out? Yeah, stops for entry. I told you guys why I moved stops to entry. It was all on the screen, guys. No reason for you not to, you know, leave it open. Someone sent a chart.
Yeah.
Copy. Paste. No work, no work. Copy. Oh, there we go. TP next one. This is gold, right? Yeah. Buys. Stops below approved count low. Yeah, breaking the highs. Just look left. There's a lot of traffic here. Look left on GJ.
Oh,
A shit
dang,
ton of
bro.
traffic here. So you might be in
Yo,
trouble here. Buys were probably clean from here to here, but
Yo, I ain't look at gold in a minute, bro. It's almost at 1800.
yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Yo,
Oh,
if you got
I
to buy
think
after that news, man. Oh man. Big
yeah,
thing.
clean. Okay, she says Uncle Cotton. Man, it was on a chart. Whenever you guys see me move my stop loss to break even, you guys can see it visually. So yes, you can see when I do it. If you guys enjoying the streams, you know we haven't caught anything today actually, but I did call gold buys and GG buys. So if you guys enjoying the streams, leave a like. You know, streams are free. Leave a like. I think we can hit 100 viewers, and then we can hit I think 50 likes today. 20 more likes, guys. Like up for the boy. Yeah, I think there's no buys right now, guys, at all. Yeah, for sure now. Looking at this, you can probably wait for price to actually close above this range here to go up. Above this range for GG would be bullish. That's like a 27, 25 pip move. So I'm actually gonna set a reminder there. To this level probably. Alert. It's the only thing about TradingView Pro. You can say alerts. Boom, there we go. Got my alert there for when price taps that target. I can get a little warning. Look for more buys later on. How old are you? I am 14 years old. I'm joking. I am 20 years old. 20 years old. Yo, Jimmy, check the YouTube, Jimmy.
Yeah.
Yo, is the music lower than it was before or not?
Oh, let's see.
Is music
it's lower.
It's lower?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
It is lower.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How about now? Got a little higher.
Okay. It's a little higher.
But is it low as before though, or is it the same? Is it, like, I want it to be like a before. I feel like it's the same.
Hold on.
Check Friday stream. Cause it's low, it has to be low, but it can't be that loud. You know, the vibe.
This is good, bro. It's
good?
Yeah, it's good.
No, it's higher than before. It is higher than before? Let me check. What's your opinion on the YouTubers who flip 1K to 100K in 1 week? I think that's an L. Because I'm telling you, as fast as you make it, as fast as you lose it, man. They're not following any proper risk management, any proper type of management at all. They just, I don't know, man. I don't know. But I think it's a no. I think that's a dub. No.
They're like, people was talking about that one dude that flipped like, I think it was like $500 to like 200K.
Hmm?
Bro, in like 3 days. What? Please. Tell me. Oh yeah, 3 days. Crazy as hell.
Yeah, like I don't know, like I flipped 100 for VIP.
No, never mind. It was $900 too.
I turned 100 to 1,000 within. We flipped it together as a VIP group within 3 months though, like using good proper management. But like I don't know, doing that in a week, bro. That's like a. Man, I don't know, man. That's like a bit more risky there. Music is echoing. Why? Is it still echoing now? Should be fixed. Yo. Oh.
Yo.
Oh, I fixed it. Yeah, I fixed it. It should be fine now. There we go. Gold's flying? Yes, sir, it is. Guys, I told you guys. Next targets for gold is 1811. There's no resistance here on a higher time frame at all. Once you break these levels, you're gonna see a big push up today on gold. Huge push up. So highs were nice, like below here. You know, this is a fake out down here. You know, we ranged all off Friday. You know, fake out down and go up. And look, if you go on Friday stream, you guys look for the same part. I mentioned this exact same move, literally the exact same move here. I said how we're gonna per range, break out the range, come back in the range, fill it, and then eventually pop up. And that's exactly what happened. Exactly what happened to the T. I'm gonna find a clip. I might make a video later for it. But yeah, gold's tapping today. I'm not sure it's gonna hit 1811 today, but this week or this month it should be high likely. Today's target was tapped already at 1780. Came down to that resistance. But now like the next target is up here, so that's just might not happen today though. But let's see.
Stocks open in 7 minutes.
Yeah,
Boy,
9:30
oh
is
boy.
supposed to happen.
Boy, oh boy.
So up for a buy. Yep, gold got tapped, man. If DJ closes bearish here in a range here, I have a high chance of popping down here. This target down here. Am I gonna look for sells? No, I'm not gonna look for sells, guys. I'm gonna stick to my buys, my bias. I'm not gonna take any sells today. But if it does come down, then it comes down to whatever. I don't really care. I'm gonna go off my day, you know. Took 3 trades today. Yeah, Marcus. Yeah, I did say that I'm expecting a good week this week. Not because I feel it's gonna be a good week, because the way the candles are forming the weekly level. Last week, obviously, you had this candle bullish at the support. It was very weak bullish, so those candles are indecisive. They didn't know where they wanted to go, but it ended up closing bullish. So now this candle has a high chance of pushing further up here. So 138 levels, right? So yeah, this week will be a much better week than last week as far as range. Yeah, user should pop up as well. User should tap like this target. 1727074 27,000 around that level should be good. Yeah, those are my targets today. Gold target, you know, and this is G target up there. Obviously, it's not gonna happen. Might not happen today. US30 target is bullish as well, so I'm bullish on all these pairs. US30 buys will probably be better above this range here. Once you break that resistance, you can pop up. But right now we're in this range here, so just be careful. Don't look for any entries right now.
I'm gonna look at Tesla real quick.
Yeah, last week gold was all gorgeous. All week it was very nice. All fake outs last week. Everything's a fake out. Look, we're saying this exact same thing happened all week. You know, fake out down, price came down, broke below the range, came back up, filled it, boom, came bullish. Same move happened over here. Where is it? Up here, boom. We have resistance here. I made a video on this too. We have resistance here. You know, support being made, boom. Came back in the range, filled it, it tuned on bearish. Boom, that was your trade.
Damn.
You know, again right here on gold, what happened was price made a resistance, boom, made a support, boom, came back, closed bearish below the range, came back in the range, closed it, filled the range, and turned up bullish. Same thing happened all week. So you guys, this is what I gotta look into, man. Things that happen quite often. So same thing happened here today too. Take out here, boom, boom. So when I said when I predicted this move, I didn't just predict it just because I felt like I was gonna go do that. The way that I was forming, you know, the way that I was gonna be bullish, I knew that this was gonna be a fake out down to go up. So there were the buys there on gold. I'm probably gonna end the streamer, guys, so there's not much happening. The sells, this count's gonna close bearish here. It's gonna fire fill the range here, coming down to support, and it might come down to actually this support if it does break this support down here. But I don't know what could happen actually. Before I hop off, actually, what could happen is this. Is what could happen? Price can come down, make support here, right? Come down, make a support like this, and then eventually, you know, range here, make a range. And then eventually pop bullish like this, indicating that could be the start of the trend. And then eventually you might get another bearish candle like this. Then eventually you get another account like this. So this is what can happen. Price come down, that support, makes a support, right? At this support, makes a resistance, obviously. This resistance. What happens after this candle closes bullish? You can say that now we can probably pop up bullish like this. Pop up like this, if eventually fill this range here. And then you can continue up here. So where is it? So this target up here. Eventually you continue up here, and then tap that daily target at, what was it? Target was 134.88. So this is what possibly could happen. We can come down the range here and eventually pop back up. So yeah. Probably gonna close bearish here. So sells, I'm not interested. I'm only gonna be interested in buys today. So if you guys haven't yet, follow the Telegram channel, because that's where I'm gonna send the signal at. I must send a free one too today probably. Follow the Telegram. If you guys don't know where that is, go on the YouTube side. I mean, go on controlfx.com. Scroll down, or link in the description actually, and you can get a nice link. Yeah, it's the bottom, but you can get a nice. Oh yeah, right here. Scroll down here. Yeah, nice Telegram link right there to the chat. Other than that, guys, wait, is it in the chat already? Yeah, it is. It is. Alright, yeah, check the bio. But yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna hop off, guys. Hope everyone has a great day today. Do not overtrade. I'm gonna let you guys know in the Telegram chat if I'm meant to buy or not. I'm gonna send a signal and all that good stuff. But basically, yeah, catch you guys later, and have an amazing day today. Peace.
Yeah.